and then the mic will pick up everything we say here as well. So, let's play some music in the background. Some cool.
Let me show you how to create an amazing ad using stock footage. Go to artgrid.io.
Oh, you hear it?
Yeah, we're just gonna hear it.
Alright, can you hear us? Can you hear us? Testing. Yeah, alright. Alright, let's go to trading view. Hey, first guest of the night.
Great.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Chilling, bro. How's it going?
Good, man. I already deposited some money to my account.
Hey, the stimmy. The stimmy, dog. That's what I'm talking about.
Cause that stimmy's going live.
Yo, man. Oh yeah.
Yo, put that stemmy in Dogecoin.
Dogecoin. Yeah.
No,
Nah, hey, that's good, man. So you already have the account live, right?
yeah, I already have it live here on my phone and everything.
So you can trade it. Okay, cool. Nice.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, let's hope we catch a good trade. Let's hope we catch.
Let's hope we can catch. What the
Yeah,
fuck
let's hope
is
we catch a
that?
good fucking trade, bro.
If not, I'm gonna have to wait for the third stimulus.
Shit.
Nah, but I mean, I started off with a little bit, you know, like I only put 150. I mean, I know it's not a lot, but it's just something to just play around with, you know.
Nah, yeah, that's still cool. Yeah. That's still cool. If you want, you could. Oh, but you're not even. Hold up.
Yeah, what I
Let's get you on.
to
Do you want to get on the Zoom or you want to get on your own trading view? Will the Zoom lag on his end? Let's see. Go down. Huh? That what?
I think it's time
No.
to yeah, no, just get him on the Zoom so he can see when you do the charts.
Yeah, because I don't use
Yeah,
I
that way
my
you
own
can
trade
just-
view. I don't
Do
know what
you
the
have?
fuck.
Do you have? Do you have? Do you have
Yeah,
Zoom?
I feel like I don't know what I want.
Do you
I
have
don't
Zoom?
know.
Like a separate application?
No, I
Download.
just my first time, my
Okay,
second
cool.
time turning on this computer. I've
Oh,
never
okay.
even-
Type in ZOOM.
Sir, hey Victor. So earlier, I was looking at the freaking British pound with the US dollar, right? And then I demo traded it just to like see what was gonna happen, and I kind of seen like a little I kind of drew out the MSL line, you know, and then once it hit where I wanted to hit, because the MSL the support line got hit like multiple times, you know.
Yeah.
And then I saw like a big, was it like the bearish candle? It was like a big one under the 50 EMA. So when it reached my MSL line, no, when it was at the top, I knew it was gonna hit back there. So I kind of like, I did a sell, you know. So on that one, I got like 50
Nice.
for like 50 cents, you know. So I feel like that's. What do you think for $150 account? What should be the like the
Bro, no, whoa. You got $50 on a $150 account?
No. It's I got no. It was just a demo.
Oh, okay. So you're asking me how big your lot size should be?
Yeah, when I go into like.
Oh yeah, bro. Listen,
Go on to baby pips.
you can go to Baby Pips to calculate the exact lottery amount. But with that account, brother, I honestly recommend that you don't do more than 0.02.
0.02?
Yeah, 0.02. Yeah. It's a small account. You can definitely grow that account and be hella profitable. But you need to you need to build that consistency first. And this is with like a 0.02, you probably have like, if you're doing like 10 pips, if you're risking maybe $10, $10 is even way too much. You should be risking maybe like $3 to $5 per trade, right? So, I mean, let's see how much is. Where the fuck is my phone? Do I not have my phone? Oh, wait. So what's 150 divided by 5? So you have 30 trades if you risk $5 a trade.
Yeah.
So man. Honestly, I would honestly start with just 0.01, and it really sucks because your profit's gonna be like $1, $2, etc.
Yeah, but
if you're trading 5 times a day, 5 times a week at minimum, I mean you're looking at $5 a week, and if you do the math, $5 a week times 4, you get 20. If you do 20 times 12. You have $240, so you have grown your account almost by 187%. Like, that's insane, dude. Let me put it into perspective for you. 187, like, if you get really lucky in the stock market and you hit all your companies hit. And Tesla, you bought Tesla 200 and it goes to fucking 1,000. Your return annually might be 15, and that's way too much. It truly only is like 10, and that's a lot. So I mean, 10% to 187%, that's a lot. It just sucks because at the beginning. The profit is not there. Like you don't feel motivated. But don't think about it. Think of it as a training stage, right? This is a training phase for you to make sure that you eventually become that profitable trader. And with consistency, you can grow lots. And with consistency, your account, your equity is gonna, almost double. Triple. I mean, it's totally up to you. It's about being disciplined, right? Learning your emotions. You gotta remember, as long as you can control your fear and your greed, that's it. That's it. That's 90% of the actual game, because the rest is just technical analysis, and technical analysis is easy. That's why we make so much money on demos, right? Because you're not emotionally attached to that money.
Exactly. No, I was right on, bro. I'm gonna listen to your advice and start off like that, just to like.
Yeah, dude. Honestly,
just manage your real account.
I mean, I know you get, it's gonna happen. We all go through that. You're gonna get to the point where maybe you start winning a lot, and you put, you go to like a 0.10 or a 0.20, and then everything you build, you lose in one trade, right? That's part of the game. It's gonna happen. So just keep that in mind, that it's. If it was easy, everybody would be a millionaire, right? And if it was easy, everybody would be a trader. So it truly comes down to, how well and how patient you can train your brain, right? Your psyche, your mental.
Yeah. Nah, for sure, bro. I'm gonna start off like that, just to like manage that account, and that way I take it day by day,
For sure, dude. Don't get desperate, dude. You got this. You can do it. Don't get desperate. Just make sure that you follow. You create a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, get one from the website, from the cloud. We have assessments for you guys too in the cloud.
Yeah.
So if you haven't seen the content on the cloud, make sure you do so, because there's
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out, bro.
Yeah, it'll tell you the time zones, how many lots you should be taking. It's a little calculator that you put in, and then if you don't have a trading plan, we have one for you to follow there. That all you have to do is write down, what your work schedule is like. Let's say you work 9 to 5. Shit, well, you work 9 to 5. So you can either trade London session, which is your time 2 to 5, or you can trade pre-New York, which would be like 6 to like 8:30 for you, right? Because you would have to schedule in that commute. So it literally is like step by step to see what fits better in your lifestyle, right? Because
for sure.
Usually with habits, what happens is that we for any habit that you do, sometimes it's too hard. Like, let's say we'll take weight loss for example. Like, if you say, oh, I want to lose 10 pounds, 20 pounds in 1 week, right? You're setting up yourself for failure. Not that you couldn't do it, because it's definitely a possibility, but that just, you're just setting yourself up for failure at that point, because you're not giving yourself realistic goals, right? So you gotta make sure that you give yourself realistic goals and just go little by little. Take, they're baby steps. It's
Exactly,
not
bro.
it's not a race, it's a marathon,
I'm gonna take your advice, bro. It just makes sense, because you just can't just expect something to just gain hella money in one couple of days,
I thought he had the flower filter.
Nah, he's not.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome, dude. Congrats, man.
Yeah, fuck
All
yeah,
right,
man.
bro.
Hell yeah. At least so like right now you get the emotion of trading real money. How many people? A lot of people start off with the demos, which is great too, because at least you can try to see what works, what doesn't, and you can fuck up as much demos as you want. You can blow as many demos as you want. With your money, you can't keep blowing money and then putting more in. So you're gonna get the emotion by trading it. So like what Victor was saying, man, like I know 0.01, 0.02 doesn't sound too great, like too huge, but it builds the consistency. That way, whenever you're ready and you've saved enough money to go into a 2-3K account, at that point now you can start dropping a little bit heavier on lot sizes to build that account. You're gonna see the profits you want to see. So it's gonna take some time, dude. But if you stay like on course and you stay dedicated to keep doing it, bro, like sky's the limit, man. Like you're not capped in trading. You know what I mean? You're not capped, which means you can make as much money as you want to. So
I guess tonight I'm gonna join the crew to see how it feels to clench your ass once you.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, you already know.
No, fuck it. You gotta learn somehow.
Yeah, exactly, bro. So when you guys barely started, like obviously like you guys, like what was your lot size when you started for the first time?
A one lot on a $500 account, and I blew that shit in like, I blew that $500 account in a day, bro. That shit was, oh hell no.
Oh, no,
Literally, dude, I lost $500 in like an hour, I would say. Yeah, in an hour.
I did the same thing. I did a one lot. My first account, I forget if it was 120 or 160.
Yeah.
But I did a one lot and I lost my account in like less than 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, it was bad. I honestly, like, it's really cool. I mean, I think it's cool. Obviously, we're geeked out because we really like what we do.
Yeah.
But I think it's super cool that we do this, that we go live and we show you what we're trading. And we're trading real money, right? And it's not like $200-300, $1,000, $2,000, we're trading tens of thousands of dollars. And like
right now we're trading two $10,000 accounts, so it's like that shit. And the crazy part is that we still get the same kind of emotions even if it's not our money. Like it's
dude, even
like
honestly,
it's stressful.
Honestly, even worse, to be honest.
Let me see your trade.
I can honestly, bro.
It's just showing me your screen.
I can see negative. I can see negative 500 in my account. Negative 1,000 in my account for 1 day, 2 days, because I know it's gonna go my way.
Hey,
but for
$55.
an investor account, I can't even see like negative 50, negative 100. It hurts, right?
You want to?
Because I guess it's also kind of like your ego, right? Like you hurt your ego that you want to be right all the time, but it just it honestly it doesn't happen all the time, right? You're not gonna we don't have 100% winning rate, and if nobody does, and if they did, then they wouldn't be allowed to trade. It's just sad,
On the 5K account, I mean, 2 lots pretty good.
Hey, so what do you think about that whole freaking GameStop
If
thing?
you get that shit right, that's
The
quick.
whole investing thing with that. But they have their little group or something like that. I'm not really 100% sure on the whole situation, but
Even if you have maybe 2.
Wait up, Marco. I didn't hear you, brother. What's that? Can you put the music?
oh, I'm asking you about the GameStop, the one that the trading one. Where they have like they have a group of people like agreeing at the same time and shit, like.
No, that's super. I honestly think it's fucking amazing.
Hey,
What's going on right now?
Sauce
Bro,
man.
it's crazy. Honestly, like, so here's the deal. If you don't know, it's Reddit is another social network, right? It's very similar to, think of it like a Facebook without the pictures, right? It's just it's basically a forum where there's tabs to every little subject you can think about, right? And they have a section dedicated for trading and stuff like that. And this specific Reddit forum is called Wall Street Bets. And honestly, all they really did was somebody said, "Hey, let's all buy GameStop." Why? No reason, because GameStop is a dead company, right? It's like it's done. There's absolutely no value to it, because we come 2020 and everything that comes afterwards will be the digital era, right?
Yeah.
Discs are becoming like non-existent, and honestly, when PlayStation and Xbox announced that they were gonna do only disc versions and that they were gonna have their own Play Store, that hurt GameStop big time. And before that, way before that, when was the last time you bought a DVD? When was the last time you bought a Blu-ray, whatever? Like you really don't do that. It's mostly digital. So they were already hurting to begin with, and what ended up happening was that these guys just decided to go against the hedge funds. They've been shorting GameStop for about 4 or 5 months. I believe that they had to close. I could be wrong. I think it's 250 stores nationwide. Like GameStops were going, they were going to bankruptcy pretty much. And these guys, everybody, it literally was just one guy that was like, "Hey, what do you guys think? We just all bet against the hedge funds and just buy GameStop." And it got so much hype that it really did happen and overturned, and they lost 14 billions. What?
It wasn't
Tequila?
Yeah, Squirt. The
Squared. Come on, don't say. I guess some Squared.
You want some or not?
Yeah. No.
You want some?
Yeah. With some ice though. Some ice on a highball.
Paloma?
Are you gonna make palomas?
Yeah.
We should have done it before the stream. All right.
Isn't that
Let's
just
go make it.
Yeah, no.
Let's go make it.
I'll just do Squirt and
Just do Squared.
and
All right,
tequila.
cool.
Alright.
Sorry guys.
Patron or no?
Yeah. Patron. Yeah, fuck it. Or the Don Julio. Don't bring the 1942, bro.
Okay. You guys were getting ready for Friday already?
Shit. Yeah, man. So that's basically what Wall Street Bets is, man. It's honestly, I think it's amazing that the group of people decided to just buy a stock on a whim, and it got so much hype that it ended up overturning the actual shorts. Right? I mean, we're talking about
because I've seen
this
some
company's
dude making like
$14 billion.
50,000, bro.
What happened?
Some guy made like 50 grand. Like a lot of those guys made like 30, 50 grand, like hella money.
Yeah, because the stock shot up, like I believe, like almost 700%, right? Or something along those lines.
So for that to go that high, what do you think their group size should have been or something?
Dude, it had to be millions.
For
Millions? Yeah, of course. It had to be millions and millions of fucking people. Yeah, this isn't like it was just like 1,000, 200,000. No, like for the market to reverse and move the way it is, because again, you're buying a stock that has absolutely, I don't want to say absolutely no value, because there is some value, right? There is some nostalgia to GameStop, but unfortunately, you know, times are moving, and this are one thing of the past. So until they learn to maybe capitalize on virtual reality or AR or make some type of AR store, it's, you know, GameStop is a thing of the past. You know, not that it was a bad thing. It's just, you know, we're advancing, and with you know, advancing, you need to evolve, and once you evolve, you adapt, right? So again, you know, it's something that's super cool that I think they're doing it, but it's also kind of borderline illegal, because it's like everybody conspired to buy a stock, right? And that's what the hedge funds are fighting. But you know, these guys do it all the time, right? So why is it that they can take money from the middle class and we can't take money from them? Like they're just mad that they got, you know, that they got caught in their own game.
Yeah, that's funny.
But now, I think that hype is done. I don't think it's gonna last that long. It's a possibility, it might, because it's getting a lot of traction, and I think tomorrow Robinhood is gonna continue to let people buy GameStop and AMC and.
Well, I think that I heard that there's gonna be a lawsuit against them, or they already put something against them.
It's possible. What Robinhood did is borderline illegal. Like somebody should, like it's like illegal. It's like somebody should go to jail for that. Either that or Robinhood is gonna go bankrupt. I mean, I get it. It wasn't in the best. It wasn't their best interest to sell, because if not, you know, they would have crippled. But at the same time, the only reason they did it was because they were under a lot of pressure from the hedge funds. Meaning, you know, you have those big hedge funds that have billions invested in that stock that are like, what the hell is going on? Just shut the market. And by shutting the market for a day, that kills the hype, right? And what happens is they shorted. So here's what happened. Right now, they stopped, right? You couldn't buy, you could only sell. Well, what happens when you sell? The more you sell, that means that the more supply there is. And when you have so much supply, there's not a lot of demand, right? And what was created was all that extra money that was accumulating over the past, just like straight up went to. When are you gonna make them? Sorry, this fool, man. We're having technical difficulties over here. No, but I mean that, you know, by then killing the hype, it brought the price down, and people started to see that the price was coming down. So they were like, "Oh shit! I bought a 400, it's 180." So they sell, right? They get what it's called FOMO, fear of missing out, or you know, and that's that fear that you need to learn how to control. Right.
You woke up, babe? Hey, word, good shit, man. Wake his ass up, bro.
Did you get the Valentina with the limon?
Sure.
You want it?
No, I don't know. What is that?
Try it, bitch.
Well, it's pork.
You like pork?
No, I don't eat pork, bro.
Yeah, you can do this.
Pork rinds, drink tequila, and fucking
Straight up Mexican.
Zero carbs, bitch.
your fucking lifestyle's so.
We working, dude. It's just. Where's yours?
There was another glass like that.
Cause you have them all behind your fucking.
Nah. Oh yeah, there's one right there. God damn. That shit is nice, huh? It's that añejo shit too.
You guys do pork rinds all the time, right? Like
Hey, what up, man?
chicharrones? And like some brown sauce. You guys
What's
do
up,
stuff
man?
on
What's
that.
up, man? Yo, Josh, join the Zoom too, bro.
He don't know how. I told him how. He don't know how though.
Abe and Sauce.
Nah.
Yeah. Yo, you know who that is, right, Abe?
Nah, I don't know who that is. Who's that?
Right here.
Who's that?
You can't see
I
it.
can't tell.
Read the name in the Zoom.
You gotta do. Yeah, there you go. It's Jake Paul over here, bro.
What is it, Triska?
That's fucking right.
Oh, what's up, Triska?
One and only. What's up, man?
Chillin'.
Hell yeah.
Last I heard from you, you was kicking ass, taking names.
Something like that.
I like it. I love it.
Came to retest London Asia low. Coming for that.
Look at the weekly level that we're in. The weekly supply, no?
I can like 58. Where's it at?
Oh, he's
Nah, he's got he's not on camera.
not on camera.
Where's Sauce, man?
That shit good, right, bitch?
Yeah, that's it.
I told you.
We're in monthly, not weekly. We're in monthly, dude.
That
We're
shit,
in monthly supply.
that shit bound to break and start going down a little bit.
Unless it breaks.
Look
you
at
know,
the, so look at the 1 hour, the kind of check it out. If we go to 15, look, I'm about to show you something. Watch. The spring, the buyer's climax, right? The push down. This is the top class. This is, I don't even know what the fuck it's called, but this is the Wyckoff right here. That shit going down. That's it, bro. That's all you need. You don't need nothing else.
Yo, this has been played too much.
Nah, hey, real talk though. I mean, the sales are looking nice and juicy tonight. We can start breaking all that.
I mean, yeah, it's a possibility if you were looking.
Remember
at
what happened last night? Last night it pushed down before it went right back up.
Yeah. Go to the. So let's read the monthly because the monthly is very important right now. So let's go to the monthly and just hide your drawings and shit, right? So let's look for. Go ahead and go a little bit up, and let's zoom out a little bit. So let's say this is the low, right? High, low. Could this be a lower low? Or a higher low?
On the monthly,
Look, boom, boom. You see, look. I came to reach. So this is the low, right? This is the high. But it created. What is this? A new higher low?
there's a lower high right here. Lower high.
Sorry.
And this is a higher low to then possibly create a new higher high because it will close above this current high. So if we are going to look for a new high, which I do think eventually we'll get back up here, then that would be your higher high created to then find a new higher low and push up.
So I mean, so at the moment.
At the moment, we're at this like really strong level, so depends on what happens here. That's a lot of information though. That's the problem. So
This is crazy right
yeah.
So I mean. It could be creating a lower high, touching that high to retest this low, and then we enter
Shorts.
No.
Oh,
I mean, yeah, we would enter the shorts here, but we enter a channel, right? On a monthly channel.
Yeah.
I mean, that's also a possibility. But let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. See, we're coming from high, the low. Is it making a lower high here? Right? So you have the high, you have the low. Are we making a lower high here? Right? And then we make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high.
This was a higher low because it wasn't lower than this previous low.
This, it just came to retest. Well, I mean, it's not a higher low, but it just came to retest this.
Yeah.
Right? And then we coming to retest this low. So are we gonna break it, or I mean, this is a key zone. It's honestly not the best range to trade GJ at the moment. That's why it's been so difficult this past couple days. But in the meantime, we can definitely catch at minimum 10 to 20 pips. But once we know directions, we can enter the swing trades to catch those 100 plus pip moves, right? So for now, we're gonna use this as supply, and then we're gonna use this as resistance, support. This right now is technically, this is a great, this is the only clear range that we have from looking at this. And from looking at this, after we break this is the only range we have, right? So now it's just the point of just organizing pinpointing your actual zones and just waiting for it to reach that level and see if it's gonna break or respect that area.
Go to the weekly.
Hey, Trading with Ice, what's up, man? Welcome back. How's it going, bro? What are you looking at for tonight? What are you looking to trade?
So on the weekly time frame, it gives you a clearer picture. You have your lows, right? And then you have minor zones that have been broken. So this will be, this area here will be your 50% range from that zone, right? So this is where we wouldn't take trades from here unless we were to swing, but we already missed that trade, right? Because we would have taken that trade from here. Now it's looking like it broke on the weekly, so we're gonna continue to go bullish. However, we are due for a retracement, and the only reason we know that we are due for a retracement is because we're coming to a level of major resistance, which is right here, right? And we can see because history tends to repeat itself, and we know that it has become a major zone of indecision in the market, right? We have a previous support that turned resistant. So now, because there's so much indecision in the markets, this is the main level that we need to watch out for. But once we see this level break, or if it breaks, then we are going to, if you look to your left, there's really nothing that's going to stop it. And this would be a weekly trade. So this trade would take you months, right? So This is just the same way that you guys analyze the 1 hour, the daily, the 15-minute, 5 minutes. That's the same way you guys have to analyze your pair. You know, your weekly, your monthly. That way you know exactly what trend the market is gonna go. Because you don't want to be counter trading, right? Yeah, we do it once in a while here on the live, but that's because we know like it's a certain move, so we catch those pips quick, but we get out. This type of trades are the trades that are gonna give you those 100 to 300 or more pips, right? And they take a couple weeks to play out. But now that we know the actual direction of the market, that's when we jump down to the daily to pinpoint the area. Just do auto real quick. And zoom in a little bit. So you have this area right here. Sorry. You have that area. Your most recent area on the daily would be here. Right? And then the next one, as soon as this is broken, the next level of resistance that we have is this supply right here. Sorry guys. Right? Aero, mark this area real quick.
Gotcha.
And then let's just mark the most recent one, which would be probably right here. Right here, this area. Alright, cool. So now that we see the actual movement and direction of the market, then let's jump down to the 4 hour. And when we jump down to the 4 hour, all you're gonna see what Aero is doing is just cleaning up that actual zone. So go to the left and just clean your zone, because we grabbed it on the daily, right? So this one.
Oh, you're gonna just squeeze it. You're gonna tighten it.
Yeah,
so
we're just gonna squeeze the actual area to get that actual rejection, right?
Yeah.
Same thing here.
The one on top.
Yeah, do the one on the top. Go get closer. Grab the whole thing. Grab right here. And then let's go to main. And then go to the. So in here you can clearly see that there's another zone right here, right? And this zone is more relevant than this zone because it's closer to the price action. So mark this right here, Aaron. Let's go to the 1 hour. So clean this zone. And then make this bigger. And this. Let's get closer to it. So this is when you start to look to pinpoint your entries. And what we're looking at is that price has created a support, right? And price has created a resistance. So now we're essentially trading between this channel right here, right? Until it breaks, there is no clear trade. Unless you want to take a buy from here to go to the top, right? Or a sell from here to go to the bottom, which would be right there. Does that make sense? So essentially right now we're just stuck within this channel right here. And until this breaks, if it breaks and it goes up, then we know we're going all the way up to, I believe it's like 144 or something like that. If this channel comes down and starts like this and it breaks, then we know that on the retest, right, because And the only reason we have to wait for a retest when we're shorting is because right now the market is bullish, right? So the market is bullish. So let me rephrase it. So the market is bullish right now. So whenever you see a price action stuck in a channel and it does this, that's fine. You don't have to wait for that minor retracement to continue to go up because you're trading with the trend, right? Your price is bullish. Now, because let's say the price breaks out, but it shorts, right? You're gonna have to look where the other point of support is and wait for it to touch, which will be here, and then come back to where the break of structure was to sell, because then you know it's gonna continue to go to your next zone. But this is only valid. This wouldn't be valid if, let's say, the price, if the trend was bearish, right? We can just, so prices like this, and if the trend is bearish, right, you can just buy on the break of structure, right? But if the price is bearish and you see the channel do this, you cannot buy there. That's not valid because you are counter trading. And I think that's one of the mistakes that most new traders make, that they don't understand, right? Because sometimes they do this, but they're trading with the trend, right? But when you're counter trading and price does this, it's more than likely just a pullback. So you have to wait for it to continue, and then let's say it finds a support. When it comes back to test your break of structure, that's when you sell, because it's gonna break that first support. It's always gonna break the first one, right? And it's gonna go back to your other one. And now, like I said, now just mark this channel, and this is what we're gonna wait for the end for the night. Now we're gonna jump down to the 15-minute, and really, let's jump down to the 30 first. Pinpoint the areas. Go to the 15. I will grab this one. Yeah. Go back to the 30. Just grab this one. Instead of going here, grab this area. Grab this. Let's clean it up.
What would you mean, like?
Yeah, grab the candles. Yeah, grab the wicks of the candles and let's just clean it up. And that's what we're waiting to break. Our trade is gonna be, if it does this and it breaks, we buy here. As soon as it starts breaking this, and you'll see the candle, as soon as it starts breaking its own high, we can enter a long, and our target will be somewhere around there, right? We would try to at least catch 10 pips, but because there is no ceiling at the moment, we will have to look for where ceiling is, which I'm sure it's around 144 or something. Now, if price was to do this, we cannot sell here because, again, price is bullish. We gotta wait. This is counter trading. So what we need to do is for price to get to this area, come back, and on the retest here, on the break of structure, you sell, because you know you're gonna come here for sure. So those are our trades right now, right? But until now, there is no trade. You don't trade with it. At least for our trading plan, we do not trade within that channel, unless we jump down right now. You'll see us throughout the night. We can't find anything clear after London, which is about to start in 4 minutes. What we'll do is we'll scale in and buy from here, sell to here, but we have really, really tight stop losses. Like, 7, 5, 8 pips, no more than 8. I talk so fucking much, dude. I'm sorry, guys.
Nah, no,
What's going on? How's everybody's night going? What are you guys up to? Trading with ice. What are you doing, man? What are you trading tonight? Did you buy Dogecoin?
Yeah.
That's gonna be the new thing. Did you guys buy Dogecoin?
Dogecoin.
Oh shit.
Yo, Aero.
What up, man?
What's the song name?
Oh, dude, I got you. It's here. You can check it out. So it's whatever that is. HXVRMXN Cloud Sing.
Okay.
You see that?
It looks. Yeah.
I'll send you. You know what? I'll go to the chat in the Zoom. I'll post it on there.
Yeah.
The link so you can listen to it.
All right. Cool. Thanks.
Yeah. It's like a mix of like the same style of music. But we can play this because we don't get copyrighted. You know what I mean? Like if we play like actual hip hop music, we'll get copyrighted, and then we can't use it for like YouTube as far as you know what I mean. So yeah. Nah, you good? I'm learning. Hey, Josh, that's what I'm talking about, man. Learning session's about to kick in too.
Jeffrey said GU short. Send your chart, brother.
What's up, Jeffrey? Welcome in, man.
I don't know, Jeffrey. If GJ's stuck in a channel, probably GU's doing the same thing.
I don't know. That shit drop. That shit dropping.
Or just break. What's the 30 minute? It's 12 o'clock?
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock.
Damn.
I got you. I'll check that out. Hold on 1 second. How is it that how did we pull up your chart last time? Was it because you sent out the
My chart?
no his chart?
Oh, just copy and paste this.
That's what I'm doing, but
Copy,
and I put it where exactly like
After chart, fool. You have two slashes.
two slashes.
Yeah.
But I deleted it though.
Where are you? There you go. No. You have two slashes.
It's supposed to be two slashes?
No.
Oh.
You have two. No, you have just one, like that.
That?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, there you go. Alright, so GJ, okay, you're shorting GJ for tonight. Word, okay, there's a 1 minute. Okay, so I see it, alright. So the same thing we're looking at. I'm assuming that this is the level we just pointed out. Oh shit. Right here. This is probably the same exact level that you're looking at. So you're probably looking for some sort of break, retest, and this would be your entry. That's exactly what we just went over. Yeah. Same thing. Yep.
This is great.
Looks good.
Yeah. I like how you didn't base your entry of this, right? Or this, because that would be gambling, and then you actually base your entry based on this low. Dude, that's it, man. That's what it's all about. Really? Because this gives you, you might be losing, I don't know, what is that? Maybe like, how many pips would that be? Maybe like 3-4 pips?
3-4 pips.
But at least you know that this range right here is safe, right? This range from here to here is safe. At least to this line, right? So I like it. I think it shows that you've been paying attention and you understand proper risk management, right? And you're looking at other type of confluences as well. Yeah, 3 or 4 pips stop loss. Yeah, man, that's awesome. That's great. Yeah, once you really learn to pinpoint these entries, yeah, the drawdown is barely anything. Barely anything. So it really comes down to, yeah, for sure. I know, and that's, and 10-15 pips, that's nothing, right? You catch that in less than a minute, 2 minutes sometimes, right? Usually, it'll take us, for 10 pips, it'll take us, I don't know, 1 hour? So I mean, you're catching essentially on a one lot $100 an hour, or obviously more or less, depends.
Where you at on your trade? Let me see your phone. Oh, because you hit your TP. Because of what? You hit your target. You made $197. Remember the level we put? Mm-hmm. They hit your target. That's your history right there.
I would have made $200.
Yeah, $197. With obviously the commission you had to pay off. But even in demo it shows like the commission as well. But $197.
That's if I had.
If you had, I mean, even with a 3K account, they get away with that too. 3K account. Maybe not 2 lots, maybe 1 lot. You could try to push it, but but safe. The safest would be 0.50. So here's the thing. If you have a 5K account, you would have went in with a 2 lot, and you try to catch 10 pips. But let's say that you Let's say that you end up shooting for maybe 20 pips, right? How much do you think you make off that? So if you make $200 off of 10 pips, how much can you make off of 20 pips? 4?
No.
400. 30 pips? How much do you think you make? 6, 800, 1,000.
What up, Dave?
And that shit can happen in a matter. You saw how fast we've been in that trade for since like 11 o'clock, right? Like 10:40, something like that. Right now it's 12 o'clock, so an hour to catch that.
No, fool, just enter this.
No. We got in a little bit earlier. I think it was like 11 something.
Now that's if I had 5K just sitting in my.
It would ideally risk management, yes. But if you had maybe like 2K and like a 1K or 2K, then your lot size as far as risk management goes would probably be like a 0.50, maybe a 1 lot. You could try to push it 1 lot. But obviously the more capital you have, the more room you have to like fuck around, So but yeah, man, You know, so that's just so you can see it, right? So you can see what can actually happen. Yeah, if that was real money, yeah, like an actual 5K account, $197 dude, in an hour. You know what I mean? Like, how long? I mean, I don't. How long does it take for you to make that on like a regular day at your job? What would you say? 200? Yeah.
Different. You can spend less commission.
Oh, it's commission, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
You don't get paid hourly though at the same time? Oh, okay, alright. Well, let's just say,
But I mean,
let's just say a lot of people.
go by minimum wage. You would
yeah.
have to work 19 hours to get that.
Yeah. So if you, like I said, in these next few days, if you get this shit down, bro, like long term, you're not gonna leave here. You're gonna leave here with the knowledge you need, right? But it's not like you're gonna become a fucking great trader overnight.
no.
Right? The thing about this, man, is that we've been doing it for like 5 years now. I've been doing it for 5 years. This fool's been doing it for 5 years too, right? Dude, like, and up until like the 3rd year, and it was by choice. Had I really taken it serious the first year, the 2nd year, cool, I probably would have been killing it by then. But after the 3rd year, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna really get this shit done. Like, I got really serious about it, and that was when I was in Denver because I had so much time to like dedicate into this, right? Which I'm looking to sell this one.
Alright, so I just started breaking that low.
Yeah.
Yo, why you guys not looking into you? So much clearer.
It just dropped, no? Like,
Oh, cause
It's been. Oh my bad, Pip. My bad.
so that's right now, right? I've been in for a minute now, but yeah, you know what I mean? Like, you put in the time to really get this shit down, dude. And I'm telling you, bro, like, Steven, how long you been training for?
It's gonna be 2 years.
2 years. From where you were at the beginning, like, what was like the biggest trade you lost? How much did you lose?
The biggest trade I lost?
Yeah.
Bro, I lost $2,000.
oh wow! You lost $2,000 in one trade?
And it was my first account that I did. I put in $4,000 and then I blew 2,000.
Oh my god!
And that was a gold that I was like, never again I'm ever touching gold. And I never touched gold again in my life.
Yeah, gold is
I have PTSD.
No, hey, but just as easily you could have made 2,000 in return. Had you gotten it right, you would have made 2,000, right?
Yeah, no, I fucked up.
Now, dude,
Was
like,
it that gold trade that we all lost?
Yes.
At one time?
Yeah.
Dude! Holy crap! But you had your account. No, I lost 4K. But my account was larger. You lost 2K on a 4K account?
Yeah, I risked too much. I didn't know much about risk management at that time.
Yeah, damn.
I thought I went from demo to real, and then I thought I knew it all. I fucked up.
So, but like, how do you feel about your trading like a year late, 2 years later? Like, how do you feel about it now?
Now I got numb to red because I know I'm gonna make it. My wins are bigger than my losses.
There you go. Yeah.
And like I test myself, and right now my ratio has been like consistently like 70%.
Nice. But hey, say that one more time so the YouTubers can hear you. Say that what you just said one more time.
That
Why are you not? Why seeing red doesn't bother you?
because my wins are greater than my losses.
Say that one more time, so just in case the people in the back can hear you.
And back, your kids, your mother.
Yeah. No, say it. Let them know. They gotta know.
No, but it's true. It's because, like, end of the day, like, you know, your wins are gonna be greater than your losses. Like, a lot of times, if you
That's
look
all
at
it is.
management, because you start taking quality trades other than just quantity, like, it's part of the game. And a lot of people think that they can just keep getting their every trade they get it right, and then they get sad, and then they get, you know, less motivated. And they shouldn't.
Yeah.
No, that's fast. I mean that. Listen, you want to become a profitable trader. Anybody that's watching this is gonna watch this later on. What he said is what you guys gotta do, right? What he said is he understood that something was off, right? So he now knows his risk management, and he doesn't care if his trades hit stop loss because his wins are bigger than his losses. And if you're taking a 3-to-1, 4-to-1 ratio like we recommend, you can lose 4 times and only win once, and you still make profit. Jeffrey said, yeah, close out half, remain is still going. Nice, dude. Nice. We really don't look at GU often. Once in a while when our viewers send us GU, the charts, we'll look at it. We really only focus on one pair, and that pair is just GJ. Why? Because it's it's volatile, and we understand when the liquidity is coming in the market. We usually understand that from 12, which from London Open to about 30 minutes in, it's gonna give you a trend.
Kill this. No, hell.
Right?
Why don't you want it, dude?
Huh?
Why don't you want it?
No, it tastes great. It's fire. But I'm literally like fucking dizzy. I'm so tired, bro.
Oh, you wanna go to sleep?
Huh?
Don't worry
about what I'm gonna do, nigga. Mind your business, dude.
Shit.
Yeah, no.
God damn, that shit's strong as fuck too.
I forgot what I was saying. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, go to sleep, man.
Might as well tell all your homeboys watching. Tell all your homeboys watching. They ain't for the show. They hear some snoring in the background. It's alright. I'm good.
Yeah, he said it's 3:30 over there.
Oh,
bro.
true.
You gotta remember, bro. Shit. Oh, yeah, that's true. And I'm working on like 3 hours of sleep.
Yeah, nah, go to sleep, man. Come on, turn off the camera real quick.
Nah, y'all can do anything.
Nah, hold on, turn off the camera. Your camera. Yeah. No, right here at the bottom. Yeah. Alright, cool.
I already knew it.
Oh, wait. Is it? Check that I did it right. Oh, okay. Yeah, I did it right.
Straight off.
Yeah,
I already knew it.
Cool.
He said that's it.
Cool, then.
Alright, guys, so, hey, Eric, go to 1 minute.
Oh, yeah, 1 minute. Yep, that shit coming right back up.
Alright, so you guys see this? Right? So this is where it would be more safe to take that sell. That's what we were talking about, right? But this
Yeah, I'm kind of pissed.
This right here
put any of the songs on.
is what you would want to see. This is a 1 minute, right? Take into consideration is a 1 minute. But this is what you would want to see on at least for myself a 15-minute perspective, because that means that it already distributed what it was going to distribute, and now it's going to accumulate more, come back to that equilibrium that's right here, and then we can catch that sell. Obviously this is a 1 minute, right? So it reached price action super quick, and you should base your direction on at minimum the 30 minutes, and then just take your entries on the 5 or the 8. Guy.
Oh shit. Nah, hey, real talk, man. How y'all doing, man? Y'all doing really alright. This fool.
Yo, if you put a stop loss, you can't really blow your account, can you?
No, because it'll stop your trade from going even more negative.
Yeah, obviously don't put like a stop loss of like 100 pips, you know.
Now, think of this theory. If you have no stop loss, you never get stopped out.
Right.
No,
I'm joking,
he's
bro.
joking, Abe.
No.
He's joking.
Abe, I'm joking.
No. You always listen. Every time you go into a trade, brother, you gotta make sure that you know your exit strategy.
Yeah.
That means when to take the L and when you know when to take your profit.
Nah, fuck that. Full send that shit. Okay, don't do that.
Or alright.
Nah, man. Listen, like I said, it's yeah, dude. I mean, you always have to set a stop loss. Always set a stop loss, no matter what. So, like, as soon as you enter a trade, no matter what, like I said, set a stop loss, bro. That's it. That way, you protect your capital at the same time. You're not, risking too much. Whenever you see that a trade is going too against you, then, you gotta know when you're able to just let go of a trade, right? And another important thing is that you also need to take profits, right? Your TPs. And one thing that I actually I heard the other day, man, and it just really stuck with me was that you'll never become a profitable trader if you don't let your TPs get hit, your targets get hit. Like, sometimes we get very impulsive and or we just don't have the patience to let the trades come to us, right, and hit our targets that will close earlier than we should, and then you'll see that it'll continue going your way, and it's like, fuck, I should have stayed in. But again, your patience has to be there. So, like I said, if you can practice, try to consistently catch 10 pips or even 5 pips. If you can consistently try to catch 5 pips every single trade, do that to where you're comfortable enough where you're like, all right, as soon as it hits my target, it's going to close out. As soon as you get comfortable with that, move it up to 10 pips. Okay, once you get comfortable with 10 pips, move it up to 15, then move it to 20, 30. You know what I mean? So, that's fire. So once you do that, man, like I said, bro, you'll get very comfortable with letting your trades ride out. Your trade is either gonna hit your stop loss or it's gonna hit your target. One of them is bound to play out. So yeah, man, you gotta make sure you set stop loss and target every time.
Anyway, what is GJ doing? 15.
No,
I think at this point you can take the sell.
Yeah, you can sell it.
I think at this point you can take the sell, and then what we would do is...
And GU would probably sell as well. This shit looks nice. To continue, if we're looking at...
Look at the 15?
Yeah, 15, yeah.
Well, actually, alright, cool. Would you wait for the 30 or would you... Nah, I would just take a sell, right?
I would
Yeah, grab the ruler. No, but grab the ruler to go up. Back, that's fine.
Oh, yeah.
No, here. Like, if we were to take the sell now.
Oh, I got you.
You know what I'm saying?
So our stop loss would be like
around there, a little bit like at the high.
Yeah.
Right, because at this point it shouldn't. If our analysis is right, at this point it shouldn't go back to the high. It should just have no drawdown and break that low.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's possible. How open a short? What would that be?
Right here.
No, but open the short.
Oh, gotcha.
No. We should just do it like. Yeah. Let's see. I think, right? But what we were doing, look what happened. So at this point is, do you want to take it now? Because while we were doing that, it went back up, or do we take a smaller short? See, at this point, it seems like there's a lot of liquidity. Sorry. It looks like there's a lot of volatility and liquidity happen with the buyers. So it's a possibility that we're just gonna come back and retest. So I would wait because there's only like 8 minutes left. I will wait on that 30, unless we start seeing a violent, you know, a volatile pull to this area here. What area is this?
I think it's based off of the 1 hour. No.
No. The actual value. What's the value? I can't see because of
29 pips.
The actual price.
142.75.
142.75.
Yeah.
I'm a full screen on those. Alright. Yeah.
Dude, that trade. That trade was great out. For 13, 12 pips.
That's like 13 pips.
That was a
Yeah.
God damn.
With no drawdown, you saw? Oh shit.
It is what it is, man.
No, but I like this trade right here.
No, I did too.
I like this trade, but see how it's coming back up? That's perfect. We wanted to retrace this, right? So let's say we put our entry here. What would the stop loss be if we put our stop loss over here? Like above, like right there. What? How many pips
11,
is that?
12 pips.
All right,
Pizza
let's say 12,
or salad.
right?
Which
Isn't that
one
interesting?
do you think I'm having for dinner tonight?
All right.
Well, it's not this.
How?
Definitely not
What's
this
the?
route. Why? Because
How many
this
pips?
is going
So
to do
it's
nothing
12
but
to
leave me
38.
craving
Pretty
One,
much.
1 and 3.
All you have
One
to
and
do
three.
to
That's
lose
not a bad
weight
trade.
and have the perfect body is to eat less. How many times have you heard that tired, old want to lose weight?
Oh, no, really?
On an extremely low
If
calorie.
our analysis is right, the candle shouldn't reach over here,
Yeah.
right there. Like it shouldn't reach all the way if we're right. It should just make a candle here and close below, and then continue. Come back up, retest, and then drop finally. That's what what I would think would happen. Wait, do you want to enter? Or
Just sell. No, well, I already kind of closed my profit. I already closed the trades that we got. But we could get back in. This is another good entry. Are you enter it?
I forgot I did enter.
Oh yeah.
I have a sell limit.
Oh,
that
that's
hit.
right. Got it. 30-minute candle will retest 143 to 158. 158. Oh, the breakout over here, the initial breakout. Potentially, yeah. But even if you're in a trade right now, like I said, if your stop loss is above here, that's a good 12 pips. If it's gonna come up here, then cool. You'll be down possibly.
I think
possibly like 5 pips.
I think it'll come back and retest 128, 120. That's where I had my sell
The
limit.
new
120.
30-minute candle. Sorry. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Like I said, man, I think is this the alright, it's not the Tokyo. Well, it is a low, but that's what we came back to retest.
Yeah, this candle. That's what we were. Well, on the 30-minute, did the 30-minute close?
No, they had 4 more minutes.
Yeah, if this candle, sorry. So if this closes below here on the retest, sorry. If the body closes below this area on the retest is where you would enter, right? Because it would come down a little bit and then make the wick up, and then right here your trade trigger. This area. But if we close above this area, then we are no longer out of the range. We came back to it. So it's just making our channel deeper, right? So 143, 128, I just noticed is the Asia low.
Yeah, the Asia low.
Yeah. So that's more confluence.
Yeah.
Below Asia low, we go. Or they just came to test that Asia low before it shoots up, right? That's why you don't trade the actual channel. You gotta wait. But now you're like gambling, you know.
Yeah. Is anyone in any trades right now? Who's in a trade at the moment?
Me.
You're in a sell on GU?
Yeah.
Hey, nice. Where'd you catch it from?
I caught it at 0.37, 112.
0.37? 112?
112.
Nice, dude.
Holy crap, bro. That's awesome. I thought you just got in right now.
Oh shit, 40 pips.
Oh, not right now. I've been in the trade where I was playing some Warzone.
Yeah,
Nice,
I see it.
yeah.
That's fucking great, bro. That's great. I see
Bro,
it.
I see it continuing.
Yeah.
I pulled out half of it on my 25th, and then now I'm just letting half of it run. Because I still have it going down all the way down to 36, 460.
460. Okay, yeah, down here.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, this entire area.
I think
okay.
like 36, 550, no? If you look at that 1 hour, like the very top.
550.
I can see it. You can see it on 30 minute.
Like right here.
Oh,
It's like
this
a-
area here.
Yeah, so
okay.
not exactly this, right? Because you have the confluence here. You see that? So it's like 150, yeah. I mean, just the actual line. I don't think you need the actual thing.
No, dude, that's great, man. Good shit.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I definitely, yeah, dude, it comes to here. For sure.
Marco,
But first
did
need
you
to-
enter the trade or not?
Alright, what?
No, Marco, did you enter the trade or no?
Probably fell asleep.
That fool fell asleep.
Night night.
That fool done fell asleep.
Yo, come on.
Get his knee real quick.
Did you enter a
Hey,
trade?
what's
or no?
up?
Did,
Yeah,
did,
you guys entered a trade or what?
GJ, we did, yeah. Did you?
Huh?
Did you?
Nah, I haven't.
You're not.
Not missing
My
out.
later what?
No, you're not missing out.
I mean, we got in as soon as like the break started happening, so we caught a nice little like 14, like yeah, it was like 13 pips on that, but
So you guys got a sell, right?
we got into a sell, yeah. But this could potentially continue. So so yeah, if you like I said, stick to your stick to what we told you earlier.
The 0. Point what?
0.02s.
0.02, right?
Yeah.
Still.
Oh, this fool sold. Okay. All right. Alright, man.
Oh, wait.
This was
Should've
unsold.
waited.
Yeah, I didn't think you were gonna jump in just like that, but alright.
Did you tell him to sell now?
I didn't tell him to sell now. I asked him if he got into a sell. You're good though. I mean, like I said, let it do its thing. Cause if this is your entry, right here, exactly what happened, you're only gonna risk about, I would say, there is 15 pips. Yeah. So set your stop loss at 143.24.
We would start closing half, right? If we reach this area strong.
And
You would really only lose like 10 pips.
yeah. And then set target. Let's aim for, where's the 15 at first? Let's aim for this level here first. Which actually no, let's aim for this.
Yeah.
There you go. That shit's probably gonna shoot up right there. Dude, at this, like I said, just let your stop loss carry it. It's fine. I do think it should continue. And then your take profit should be at 142. Do 143 flat. This is just some push to come back into these areas here. Hopefully, you get some sort of return.
Nigga, but you did a buy or a sell?
No, fool. We sold earlier. I already got out of it. But I was asking you if you had gotten in with us.
No.
This fool. And are you in right now? Are you in a trade right now?
No.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you're good. No, you're good. You're good.
Trying to talk about that fucking shit, dude.
Yeah. Unless it's just some spike.
No, I mean, like, there's not gonna be another re-entry.
Oh yeah. No, this literally pushed up to that 1 minute right here. Look at that. That 1 minute order block. This is crazy. I thought you jumped in, bro. I was like, what the fuck? All right, man. Cool. Well, I still think it's going down, but you know, I don't know when. so, nah, you're good. You gotta make your first trade count, bro. Your first trade on your account, it's gotta be a good one. Cause that's the one you're gonna remember years from now. Whether if it's a win or a loss, you still plan for it.
What was everybody's, drop it on the chat. What was everybody's first account?
I'm selling GU.
Their
I got
first
in
profit.
at 136.96.
That's a sweet entry, Jeffrey. I know exactly where you got in.
136.96. Yeah, buddy, right here. That's nice. That's awesome, bro. That's 24 pips. That's great. Huh?
What was the first thing?
His entry was 1.3696.
A little below yours.
Yeah.
Oh, Vic, well, yours. What did you just ask about the first trade?
What?
What do you mean?
You asked a question, something about the first trade you ever took.
Oh, what was the first?
Do you,
yeah.
Do you remember your first trade that you ever took? Like first one you ever took on a live account?
On a live account? Yeah, I was with you guys.
Okay. Did you win that one or did you lose it?
No, we won that one.
Hey, cool. That's cool. All right.
So,
Alright, man.
win
That's cool,
those.
that's cool. Yeah.
This fucking guy. I don't know if everybody remembers their first trade, but I think everybody remembers their first profit.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, I remember. Do you remember your first profit?
Not really, dude. I
No?
do remember my first trade. It was a sell. Something about watching the market drop makes me feel more comfortable about taking trades. that weird?
No. That's actually psychological.
It is. Yeah. I've like actually heard about that.
It's easier to see
to
see it go down
than it
that's
is.
like that's why when it goes down, it really goes down.
Yeah.
That's why we mostly take sells and not buys.
Exactly it.
Yeah. Yeah, but this one didn't break the other thing. Oh, what is this? This is EU?
This is EU, yeah.
My first live account, we went on GN.
Oof.
GN is cool, man. I miss GN. I ain't gonna lie to you, man.
I'm not ready for GN yet.
GN is nice. I love GN. Love and hate relationship, just like UCAD too, man. I hate UCAD. Like, I hate it.
Do you?
Yeah, dude. It's so weird, dude. It really is.
You know what I hate? Gold.
Yeah.
Fuck gold.
Yep. Oh yeah. This fool's sleeping. Well, he made his first demo trade, man. It played out. He made $197 on his first demo trade. That's good.
We would have taken the DXY trade. We would have been up like 632 pips. Fuck.
Alright, hey, talking about what's been going on, man. Like, look at this shit. Came back to retest the breakout, dude. Or kind of. It's not done. I think it'll continue pushing even lower.
What, AMC?
AMC.
Nah, not to the moon, baby.
What fucking moon, bitch?
To the moon.
All that shit.
Hell no, short that.
And GameStop.
And GameStop.
I don't know, dude. I think people are dumb. They're gonna keep buying. I wouldn't short if I was you guys.
This is Doge here. Doge is at 5 cents.
They have the late dodge.
What? The Dodge.
Late dodge.
You guys are still in the Dogecoin?
The what?
You guys still in the coin?
I didn't buy. I couldn't get in. My Robinhood is like waiting on some application to get verified. Some bullshit.
Yep. If you didn't already have it going,
Yeah.
so it's been a bit.
Yeah. It's cool. So, look at fucking GameStop, dude. What? Bro. What the fuck, dude? Went up to 484, and now it's back down to 187.
Bro, that's awesome.
That's crazy.
That's
No,
awesome.
not even. This
Yeah,
shit dropped.
I explained that earlier.
look,
I didn't see that.
This
That's
shit dropped
awesome.
to 115.
Yo, Marcos, you still here or no? Dude, I was talking to Marco about that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that there was an actual graph about it.
Oh, GameStop? Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. TradingView's got all the
Yeah,
stocks.
fucking MT4 we don't have.
TradingView's got all the
stocks.
Yeah, it's got all
Yeah,
the
but
stocks.
TradingView got everything, huh?
Bro, but can you imagine the people that started buying right here, and then right here? Bro, what? And then to wake up? Huh?
No, I was inside.
Which
What?
way? What?
No, I was inside, but because Sony has it in the TV inside.
What?
What are you talking about?
The YouTube thing, bro.
Oh, no. He asked you a question. He said that he remembers he was talking to you about GameStop earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah,
sure.
this is what we were talking about. I didn't know.
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
You know how I was trying to explain the graph.
Yeah.
You see how I went over here and it came all the way down?
Oh yeah. What you told me.
That's what I meant when I talked to you about GameStop, because this right here, the movement down, was cause of Robinhood.
Yeah.
They did that purposefully to cause this movement.
Oh, okay.
That's so crazy, man. Like that.
Hey, but can they legally do that shit?
No, they're going to jail, bro. Somebody's going to jail.
You can't do that though. Yeah.
That shit, man.
Dude, I don't know, man.
That is so crazy. Because you know how many people on Facebook became traders all of a sudden?
Bro, all them people, bro. Yo, if you guys are watching our videos, it's awesome.
Yeah.
We got nothing but love for you. But fuck them people, bro.
Yo, bro.
They're over here trying to tell me how to buy Bitcoin. I'm over here making like 8K on Bitcoin. Like, bro, shut up. I know.
Bro, that's so crazy.
This
I read something earlier that
I
was like,
was going to like 60K.
I read something earlier. It says, I'm laughing now. Everybody trades stocks because of GameStop and AMC. When I was trying to teach my people for free, no one wanted to invest. Bro. And like now everyone is like, you know what I mean? Like, think about all the people that came in based off of the hype. Started buying right here. Started buying right here. Bought right here. Bought right here.
Yo, this is crypto 2017.
Dude, and then all of a sudden, this is a 15-minute time frame. Bro, in a matter of like an hour, you're back down to 108, dude. Oh no, 112. What the fuck, dude? 400 to 112.
Dude, that's
What
it.
up,
Fuck that.
Everybody that's buying, they took it out.
They robbed hella stimuluses.
Stimmies.
They took them out just like that, bro. That's crazy.
That's intense, bro. Because I had people telling like,
What does stimmy?
everybody on Facebook, oh, I just bought more GameStop. I bought more GameStop today, dude. And then they gonna wake up.
Nah, hell, we should use that too. Well,
They gonna wake up with their accounts like more than a third lost.
no more.
More than that.
More, like
Bro,
almost
that-
75%.
Bro, what?
Oh, hopefully, damn, that sucks. I
Yeah.
hope they hold. I still believe it's gonna go up.
And then same thing over here, like
But Dutch coin to the moon.
we have people buying. Oh, it's gonna keep going. AMC's gonna keep pushing. People dropping $1,000. I know some people did drop $1,000 on AMC,
no.
and then
real?
this shit came down to fucking $6, bro.
What? I had one of the girls DM me about that. It was
That's
just one person. She's
crazy,
like,
bro.
how long is it gonna take to go back up? You know, should I just sell? I was like, bruh.
Nah.
And then I got somebody's mans over here with a Gucci belt telling me that fucking GameStop is gonna go to $1,000. Like, yo, chill.
Fuck that shit. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm
man.
saying nothing, but bro,
You gotta be.
I'm just gonna let you do your own thing.
You gotta be careful, man.
I have a friend that fucking, I always post the Bitcoin stuff, and every time I do like an Instagram story about Bitcoin or shorting it or whatever, he be talking mad shit because he think he knows because he bought Bitcoin at like 25, and then it went up to fucking 35, 40, and this motherfucker just dropped 10K on Bitcoin when it was 37.
Wow.
That's like that. I don't know if you guys understand. That's a hefty price for just a Bitcoin, and to lose like almost 40%. It's like 37. It's like 37% in less than one day. That's crazy. Your psychic and shit. That's no joke, dude. These people are losing so much money by, but they don't know anything. They don't know any better. If they knew it, they wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
They would have done it at the top, And now that same motherfucker's asking me like, yo, what do you think? Are we gonna get here, or what do you think? Because now he's feeling that that.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit. All right, not to put anyone out, but I know this guy personally. You can buy GameStop and BB now again on Robinhood, LOL, right? And you got people like straight up saying, "All right, let's buy some more," right? And now that was 4 hours ago.
Oh, what is this, GameStop?
GameStop.
All right, go to GameStop 4 hours ago.
4 hours ago. Let's see where we were at 4 hours ago. GameStop. GMP. So if we're looking the last 4 hours right here, right? This was the candle.
Oh.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
Oh, that sucks. It hurts.
112. But it closed right here, so. But it peaked down to 105. That's intense.
No,
I'm telling you, this shit is flooded with fucking
everybody a trader now, bro.
everybody trader.
Yeah, everybody a trader. Well, yeah, that's fine. That's cool. Cool story, bro. Next. Hey, Ruben, what's going on, brother? How you doing?
What's
You
going
catch
on,
any
Ruben?
trades today?
So on your guys' that's the next trade. When are you guys gonna go in?
Wait. What we're talking about? Hold up. What do you mean? Oh, this shit came all the way back up.
Oh, you guys have been in already? Oh, okay.
No, we haven't been. No, listen, we sold. We sold from somewhere around here.
Yeah, we caught 13 pips.
We already caught the move.
Yeah. So what are you looking for now?
To break the other channel, the top one.
To break this one up here, but if it doesn't break,
yeah, that's what I'm asking. Like.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. I thought you were looking for a trade right now. I'm like, no, chill.
Nah.
Like, wait a minute, chill, bro.
Asking you when are you gonna?
So yeah, no, you gotta wait.
Hey, que las palomas ya les hicieron efecto, güey.
Pa la verga, sí. Hell yeah, shit. That's the second one. Bro, this fool. I tell him, bro, pour me like a little bit of tequila. He pours it to the very top.
Bullshit.
And the rest is
to the neck.
Yeah, nah, hell no, this shit.
Just straight rubbing alcohol.
Nah, hell no. Bro, I am gonna drink it up.
No, Rob, bro. Don't do us like that.
Yeah.
Show what we got.
Oh yeah.
Show what we got. We don't play around, bro.
That shit ain't clear. That shit brown.
The Patron Ultra Especial Añejo, bro.
Yeah,
Come on,
bro.
dog.
Hey.
And we're mixing it with Square. That's some
With
bullshit.
Square, yeah, I know, yeah. But
Let me get some.
I got you. But it's grapefruit, so it's cool.
Dude, I'm glad we didn't get into the last one, dude.
Which one? The last one?
Yeah. But I mean, it's coming up again.
Yeah.
I think we might break that channel.
This is only to take out the Don Julio way 70.
We don't have that. Nah. Do you guys have one or what?
No, I mean I have one from Mexico,
Julio
bro,
70.
but it's a different bottle. Christian
Which
brought
one
it
is
to me from
which one
Mexico.
is that one?
The black bottle,
I
right?
can't keep up with the fucking numbers, bro. There's a Julio. The Julio.
Don Julio 70 is the clear with the black label on it, bro.
Oh,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
black.
the clear
Yes,
with the
okay,
black-
okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's just cool, bro. Like that's the only one that I like to drink. That's the one I
Ay, verga,
Ay,
güey. No
No.
mames, güey. Se expresa, güey.
God damn.
like. No more. No, que no le hago al Amsterdam como usted.
Yeah, no, bro.
No, but that was good, fool. Like the
I know, fool,
No,
but
it's
that's like saying, yo, I only drink 1942, dog. Damn, dog.
Yeah,
Shit.
yeah.
Nah, I don't. That was too strong. I don't really fuck with that one.
So, hey, damn, dog, you got it like that? Oh, shit.
Hell yeah. Nah,
That's why you only got 150 in your account, bro. Because you've been
Yeah,
drinking this
gotta
$100
fucking
bottles.
be-
yeah.
Instead of buying the bottle, I fucking. I said I'm gonna put it right here.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, man.
Then in Costco they got deals, so fuck, why not?
Costco, they got deals. Facts.
Oh, that's funny, dude.
I think last time I seen one, it was like 120 or something like that.
Damn, dog. Yeah, but like to drink it every day, I mean, dude, like.
No, but you see, like at the clubs, those are hella expensive, you know.
Oh yeah.
No,
for
at the
sure.
clubs, it's like.
It's
No,
a
yeah.
400% markup.
Yeah.
Yeah, like they'll get you bad for those. Even for the cheapest ones, like they'll get you 300, 400, you know.
Where are you located? San Francisco?
So I live right here in the Bay Area, so Redwood City.
Yeah.
But everything out here was so expensive, you know?
Yeah.
Especially San Francisco. Like, they're hella expensive for everything there.
Have you guys been opening up at all or no?
They start tomorrow, no?
They recently
oh yeah, the
started
whole state,
opening
right?
up everything too, like
Yeah,
yesterday.
the whole state starts tomorrow.
The whole state. That's dope.
Yeah. We're like all purple, and then it's gonna go like OC and Burbank and all that stuff is gonna reopen back.
You guys haven't gone to Malecon in LA or
Nah,
Well,
I've
what
heard
is
about
that?
it.
Is
It's
that
a
the
club.
French fries?
No, it's a club.
Malecon's
I
like a
thought it was
Mexican place.
The car that you were telling us the other day.
Nah, it's a club. We've been to Hector's though. Hector's on Broadway. That shit gets cool.
Malecon, I never heard of that, bro.
More into the bicep scene.
You've been to Hector's or not?
Nah, honestly, bro. 'cause
I know Christian has.
All the guys I kick it with, like when we usually go out there, they're hella bicep, so I don't really go there to those places. Man.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's in Lakewood, Malecon, Lakewood.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
honestly, like
hey.
they bring good artists right there, like Mexican artists and everything. So it's pretty cool, bro. Honestly.
Oh, that shit looks big.
Can you and Victor could bring back the cowboy hat from high school?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
So,
Yo, I'm out, guys. Y'all have a good night.
Oh, have a good night, brother.
Alright, bro. Later.
This right here, check it out. This right here.
Yeah, that one.
Oh my god, bro. Get out of here.
That's the one I remembered.
That's it right there, bruh.
You don't have to say it again.
Okay, that's a big ass belt buckle too for Victor.
God
Mama,
damn.
that shit looks like a license plate.
Yeah.
Damn, dog. Shit.
Those are the days though, man. Fuck.
Pincho Nacho, like.
That's
You
like
brought
a
back
50
old
pound,
memories, huh?
50 pound pinche cinto plaqueado.
God damn.
It looks like the front grill of una mamalona, güey.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Que ya estás bueno to let your hair grow like a mullet, bro. Como un tatuaje.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Oh, that shit came back to retest this year on the 15th. Yeah.
Harry, why don't you grow it out like that?
Hell no. Like what?
Mullet, bro, from the back.
Hell no. Bitch, I've been seeing that on TikTok, man, all the fucking time. These fools got this like long hair and they'll like.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
clutches?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
And then do the highlights at the end.
Hell no.
Oh, nah, for real? Stop it.
Fuck.
Oh, that's crazy.
Fuck that shit.
Dude, today was such a stress-free day.
Yeah, it
It really
was.
was, dude.
Right? Yeah, big time. I actually
Stress-free
like
day.
really had fun tonight. on
Yeah,
this.
today was such a good.
Yeah.
Going in and out, dude.
Damn. Yeah.
240,
like,
bro.
holy
Just chilling,
shit.
just
Right.
waiting. We've been
Right.
talking shit the whole time.
Where's my oh, here it is. Oh, hey, Ruben, what's up, man?
Yeah,
Nah, I just got on. Oh, he's been on.
yeah,
Okay, word. Welcome
Been
in,
on for a
man.
little bit. We just saw your thing. We just saw your thing, Ruben. Sorry about that, bro. We got carried away.
Yeah, we
with
got
some
carried away.
conversation.
Yo, Harry, I sent you a picture, dog. See that? Let it grow like that.
Where at? On what? Oh, I
Your
see.
phone, your phone.
I see. Hell nah. What the fuck? Stupid.
Oh, I was expecting something else.
No, this shit.
I was
It's
expecting
cool.
like bien pinches tacuaches
Yeah.
with the little rat tail in the back.
I'm telling you, man, TikTok, like, it'll be killing a lot of time too, but I be running into that shit all the time.
I like the Sikemaka video.
Yeah.
Those videos are funny. Yeah, so anyways, back to Forex. Let's go. What BTC doing? What time frame is this?
15.
How many pips did that motherfucker move in 15 minutes? Like 400?
392. 392 pips.
What?
392 pips.
No, that's 3,927.
Oh, but if you calculate it from this, is how you calculate it right here.
No, bro, that's how many pips it is.
No, but like if you calculate, like if you do 0.01, that's how much you would have made, $392.
Oh, him?
No, I'm saying if you get into 0.01 from the very start to there, this is how much money you would make.
Yeah,
392.
Yeah, we wouldn't get in with 0.001.
No, I know. I'm just saying, like, that's how you calculate the pips on BTC. Because, like, if you do
that was Bitcoin right now. We was just talking shit. And that was
because
like
if you calculate this, if you
Yeah.
calculate this 1 times 392,793, that's not how much you're gonna make off of that trade. You know what I mean? You're gonna make off of that trade.
So one lot, how much would it be?
A 1 lot. That's
Add another
different.
0.
100 times 392. How much is that?
Well, wouldn't it be there by your logic? It should be this?
So it should be 392 times 100. 39,000 off of that trade.
So it should be, so by your logic, it should be this, no? That's what I'm saying. By your logic, it should be the whole number, 39,279, no?
That's 392,793. But the way you calculate, like I said, the way you calculate it is disregard the last 3 numbers and focus on these 3 numbers.
Gotcha.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
That's how, like, okay, yeah, pip wise, you did catch this is all the pips right here. But to calculate it as how much you would make off of a certain lot size, times that with the 392 times your lot size. That's how much money you would make.
Okay, Aero, but check this out. Let me see. Wait up,
God damn,
Jesus Christ,
bro, that's how much you'll make.
39.
Yeah, 327,
right?
Okay.
Times 1 lot.
Okay, so 100. You're not gonna make 392,000 off of that one move. You're making 39. You're making 39,000, not 392. I know,
but by your logic, you're saying we're making this?
No. We're making 39,000. Do 100 times 392. You're making 39K. Yeah.
What number is right here?
Alright, hold up. Let me see.
$32.7. That's what I'm saying. Wouldn't it be? Because that's what you're catching.
No, I
3,
know.
9,
this
2,
is
7,
yeah.
9, 1.
This is how many pips it moved for. But if you're trying to calculate it with your lot size, a lot of people don't know how to calculate this with their lot size, right? What I learned is that you literally just pay attention to the first 3 numbers. So you calculate your lot size with the 392 here.
I see what you're saying. But I see what you're saying.
I read this shit, like, I
But
actually
I'm about to blow your mind, look.
I read this shit in 3 different places.
No, you're right, you're right.
Yeah.
But what you look for, I know what you're saying now.
Yeah.
I know exactly what you're doing, but now,
yeah.
What you look for is this, how many numbers it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's 5 numbers, so 5 numbers would be 0.1, right? So you would put your decimal in the 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's how many money you should make on that lot.
What?
Yeah.
What? No, yeah, man. No, look, I'm not looking at price. Price is, and that's gonna, I'd have to really calculate this. Whereas I have this tool to tell me exactly how many pips I'm catching or how much money I'm making off of the total of
Yeah. No, you're right. Yeah. I'm saying, I'm agreeing with you, but
yeah.
I think you don't understand that it depends on the decimals. So like if it's a .01, it's 5 places. So you will start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is what that's how much money you would make. $513. But that's why, like, you make it complicated.
Oh, got you.
But you make it complicated, but it's like, that's what it means. So if it was a point 10,
yeah.
so instead of 5, you move it 4. And remember, there's always 2 missing.
Yeah.
Because you go by 5. Does that make sense?
I get it, yeah.
You just move the decimal.
Yeah. Because, like,
that's what I meant. Like, it's exact same thing, but this is like what they teach you, like baby pips.
So even here, like this here, that's 45 pips. Okay, there's some
That's a
pairs.
great move, dude.
That is a great move.
That was a great move.
That's GU though. GJ kind of playing games here. What did GJ do here? Okay.
I don't know. I stopped looking at it. It's like ranging. I'm waiting for it to break that extra level.
This fool, Marco. Yeah. So did you sell already or what?
That's funny.
Yo, Marco.
Yo, what's up?
The stimmy.
The stimmy, yo, with that stimmy and Dogecoin,
Come on,
bro.
man. You gotta take your first trade on that stimmy, bro. What have you learned in the course yet? Like, are you comfortable enough to take trades on your own or not yet?
I mean, yeah, bro. I've only done like demo trades and like they worked out. Some of them, most of them, but I mean, you know.
But, okay,
like,
but on your like, are you comfortable enough to take a live trade on your account right now?
so yeah, I mean, if I see what I'm looking for, yeah.
Okay, cool. So what? All right. So what pair are you looking at right now?
Well, right now I'm looking at the Euro and USD.
Okay, let's go to Euro USD. All right, what are you looking at Euro USD to? Are you looking for a buy or a sell?
So this is what I did, bro. Hold on. So for that one, I pretty much like, but I made a 50 EMA line first.
Okay, let's go to the 50 EMA. All right, let's do it. Go ahead.
Okay. So you see that big green candle like towards the.
What time frame are you on?
I'm on the 1 hour.
Okay, let's go 1 hour.
But I keep going back and forth, you know.
Yeah.
So on the 1 hour, and so I pretty much started seeing it at the highest point where it says let me see, hold on. So at 09 hours. 09 hours? No.
Oh.
We're
Oh, right here. Okay. Gotcha. Right here.
hold on. No, not that one. Keep going more back. The 27th January.
Oh, okay. Right here. This whole
0.7.
area. Like that?
Let me see. Do you have hold on. I keep losing this shit.
First off, let me ask you, what are you looking for as far as, are you looking for buys or sells on Euro USD?
So right now I'm just waiting for it to hit my MSL line, bro. So right now, since it's going down, I made an MSL line at 1.3651.
1.356?
No, 1.3651.
Where are you getting the 1.3?
From the side right here, from the buying thing over here on the right side.
No, but price is at 1.2.
No, yeah. So, okay.
Yeah.
So you see the big green candle in the middle?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at the highest point, I saw that resistance, and then I went down to the left to see this support. No. Stay right there. No.
All right.
Yeah, all right. So I went to the highest point of the resistance up there. Highest point.
Okay, over here.
The higher high right there? No way, más arriba. Yeah.
Okay.
So I went, okay, so to me that was the high point.
Okay.
And then the low point, because that's where I started looking at it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And before I even made all that shit after. So after that, on your left side, yeah, so I went low and high, right?
Yeah.
And then after that, I looked left to see the supporting points that hit a lot of times, meaning the bottom ones. No, more down way. Yeah, like those around that area, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I drew a line right there, bro, somewhere around there, like at the bottom, because I saw the support levels were hitting multiple times just across the board, you know?
Okay.
And then after that, like, I made my other line kind of where the wick ends, kind of more down, somewhere a little bit higher. Yeah, somewhere around there.
Okay.
And I'm just waiting. Wait, let me see what you're looking. Oh shit! It's the. Hold on. It's the British USD, not the fucking euro.
Oh, Jesus Christ! All right, hold up.
Okay, you see, yeah.
All right.
All right, so yeah, you see where you drew your lines?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I have my lines.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, where you have your lines down there, the MSL.
Yeah.
That's where I have my lines. So that's what I'm looking at right now.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for that shit to hit there so I can see the bounce and then see if I'm gonna go in or not. Yeah.
Okay, I'm getting your.
Yeah, it's because my bad. The other one was the wrong one.
No, you're good. You're good. Okay, I get it. I see what you mean. So you're waiting for price. You're waiting for price to come right back down to this area?
So it can bounce and then when it does a little bounce, then I'll wait to that shit.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's good to play it out.
That's what I've pretty much been doing too, you know, and it's been working out for me.
Now, if this doesn't necessarily play out, you know, because if you really think it's gonna play out, then why wouldn't you take sells anywhere around this area?
Oh, I already did, bro.
Oh, you already in sell?
Yeah, I already did at the first red candle that was kind of breaking under the 50 EMA.
Yes. Fuck yeah. No, hey, that's good though. Because I would say, all right, if you really have this going down, might as well take a sell now. Fuck
yeah.
It. Yeah, absolutely. Because not only is your, let's say your confluence here, is your
yeah, so you see that candle you just circled?
Uh-huh.
That's once it went under the 50 EMA and I saw two of those red candles together, I put the sell right there.
Good. Okay. That's one confluence. You broke this low.
I did, and I got $40 out of it, but I didn't close that shit.
Yeah. No, that's good, dude.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, I got $40 from that one on the real count. That's why I was inside. I did it on the real count, but I didn't close it. So then it started fucking with it. And
how much did you make off of the real
count?
count?
Huh?
How much did you make off of the real count?
No, because I didn't close it, so I ended up making like $3, you know?
Oh, okay.
I didn't close it at 40, so after it shit went up to 3 profit. So I mean, I made $3, but eventually, that's my problem, that I need to know when to close it, you know, and like that's my problem, bro.
No. Because if you knew your entry, you should always know where your take profit is gonna be.
Yeah, and that's my problem though.
Nah, but like it shouldn't be. On the 15-minute, it's easy to pinpoint where your targets are gonna be. If the market's gonna come down, your target could have been this level right here. Because you're broke out of it.
Oh yeah, shit, yeah, that's where exactly I should have gotten my $40.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is that I didn't know where to close it out, so that was a problem, you know?
Not only that, bro, but at the same time, you could also calculate how many pips you're trying to catch. Like if you're trying to catch, maybe just 10 pips off of that trade or 20 pips, read where. All right, let's pinpoint exactly where your trade was. Where was it? Go to history.
All right, look. So hold on. My trade started at hold on. All right, so I bought the sell at 1.36810.
Damn.
I bought it hella late, huh?
That's super late.
Yeah, I know. I should have fucking bought it up there, and I would have. It's because look, bro.
Okay, so okay, but check this out. Even if you would have gotten in right here, this is still about 9-10 pips. That move alone. So if you're trying to catch, all right. So this was your entry, right? Make sure that you're trying to catch 10 pips, dude. Put in the price 1.3671, right? Because if you're selling, you want it to decrease as far as if you're looking at it numerical, right? Yeah. 1.3681. Put your take profit at 1.3671. That's already 10 pips, so that would have closed out your trade automatically.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
that's all you gotta do.
So that was my problem. Yeah.
But hey, to be honest with you, that is a pretty late entry.
Yeah, I know. I should have entered a more higher.
No, I'm just telling you because, dude.
It's for your own good.
Sometimes don't wait too long. If you see the trade, if you already envision it and you plan for it, take your fucking trade, bro. Like if it's gonna play out, it's gonna play out. Right?
No, I did already have seen the trade, but the thing is that my money on the app wasn't freaking like depositing, you know. So by the time I got it, it was fucking late. That's
I remember. I remember you got stuck in a Bitcoin trade on fucking Cash App. I remember.
Yeah. So I mean, I had already seen that stupid move, but when I was trying to do it, my thing wasn't even on my account yet.
Nice.
No, Marco, but even if you see the move and you're like, damn, I'm already shooting the entry, just wait. Don't force it.
Those are hella good alone too.
I think I just forced it, you know, because
you don't want to miss the move. But it's okay if you miss the move because you saw the move happen.
The
entry was a little bit late, so you don't take it out. Like you're okay, but you don't have to try to catch every move.
Yeah.
Like you'll be fine if you're like, oh, you just watch it play out and you'll still be satisfied because you call out the move. So when you know.
Yeah, that's true, bro.
You'll take another dub.
Yeah, it's because I had seen the move and I already knew, you know, but that shit just kind of like.
It's fine, bro. It's fine.
I was like, damn, I'm gonna catch this right now, and it just was too late.
Nah, man, it's fine, bro. It's fine. That's what it is. Listen, eventually you'll build that confidence where you don't have to wait. You just do it.
Because I heard it.
Because right now what's happening is you did your analysis when there was no emotions involved. The fuck was that?
Yeah, what the fuck was that?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
Fucking Steven. You're coughing?
Yeah, I just took a hit.
Yeah, mute that shit.
Fuck.
I did my bag, bro.
I'm joking.
I'm
joking. I
got the bid.
Nah, listen. What was I about to tell you? I'm about to tell you something, man. Fuck.
I feel like we were speaking facts, bro.
We were.
I'm telling you, I felt like I was speaking. I was speaking to your soul, brother.
Yeah. No, for sure.
Damn.
I forgot.
Marcos, what were we talking about? Te estaba regañando, cabrón. ¿De qué te estaba regañando?
What? What happened?
No, ese cabrón, he's your family, güey. He's your family.
¿De qué te estábamos regañando, güey?
Oh, the late entry, not being confident in yourself.
Your late entries, okay. Yeah.
Nah, yeah, it's late.
Nah.
No, I already knew it was a late entry, but you know, I was like, okay, I can still make money off of this, and then I just.
Hey man, well at least you profited $3. $3 is $3.
Yeah, I didn't know where to close it at, bro.
Jefferson is shorting
GPNCD.
Yeah.
But now I see though. I see
Now
it
hold up. When you how much? What was the largest profit you saw on that trade on your live account?
What did I think I was gonna get around?
No, when you saw your trade when it was playing out, what was the largest profit that you saw? How much?
40 bucks.
$40 on your live account?
Yeah.
How much? What's your live account at? What's your balance?
150.
150. You're over leveraging, bro.
Holy crap!
But I mean, it's cool.
I thought we talked about this though.
Yeah. Hold on. What was your lot size,
Hey,
bro?
but
How many pips? How many pips did you get?
What? 10 pips. What was your lot size?
What? Okay, $40 lot size.
Oh.
0.10.
So you were in a 0.40.
No, it was like
0.10.
15 or something.
Send me a
20.
Send me a screenshot of your history.
15, 20, hold on.
Send me a screenshot of your history, bitch. I'm about to yell at you.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, no, that. I think
And then I
we got
fucking heard you say
0.4.
sell, so I fucking did a stupid sell.
No, I know, but send me a screenshot. Let me see.
Maybe he caught
Oh,
like
yeah,
20
so-
pips, 40 pips.
No, because his entry only caught 10 pips. He told me when I got it.
Regañado, papá,
So that
regañado.
means he's doing a 0.40.
0.40 on a $150 account. Bro, do you realize that if that shit went against you 30 pips, you would have lost your account?
I know. I figured that out.
Go to your history.
By the way, YouTube, that's somebody that Aero thought earlier. That's family. That's why he's
fool.
talking to him like that.
This fool went in on a 0.50 with a $150 account.
Oh.
Yo, bro, what? All right, first off, listen. I mean, if that shit did go in your favor, you would have made $50. But dude, be very careful with that, because one trade that goes against you for not even because it's a 1 to 500 account, 1 to 500 leverage. So if this fucking trade would have gone negative $75 on you, that shit would have closed automatically. You know what I mean?
Negative $75 is like 12 pips.
Yeah, because that's half of your account. Remember what we talked
No,
about?
yeah,
500. So, bro, right now with let me see, your balance is at. All right, I'm about to break this shit down for you real quick. Let's go over to big. This is what you need to be fucking with.
No, but pay attention because I know.
No, yeah,
It actually like, bro, this really helps. It's so stupid, bro. I know, but like,
Okay.
this is what every trader should know.
I'm gonna give you a 15 pip stop loss. All right. So literally, dude, this is what you need. No more than this. 0.03 per trade. Bro, do you understand how much you just went up? 0.50s?
You should have took
Like,
that shit.
like, hold up. Let's see. 50%. Let's say, no, hold up. Let's say 15 pips and then 50%. I think it's 50%. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. 0.50s. You risked half of your account, bro, on one single trade. You know what I mean? So, listen, man. Regardless, if the trade would have gone in your favor, you would have made money. Cool. That would have been great. But if you really want to last and make your account last, dude, you have to do this. Not this, but hold on. Let's go over to 3%.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to use on that thing.
0.03s, bro. That's it. Like for now.
Yeah.
Build the consistency, and then once you've saved enough money to have a bigger account, you'll be comfortable enough to start taking bigger trades. But you need more capital. That, I mean, you can build this, but if you want to see your profits built, save some money.
Yeah.
Build consistency right now.
No, he can build it. Listen, in
Oh,
a
you can
year,
build it,
in a year, I told you how much you can put in,
Yeah, true.
right? And that's only taking 5 trades a week.
Fabian, you're right, dude. Marco, download an app called Stinu. That shit is like the same thing as this.
What is that?
STINU. It's the same exact thing
Yeah.
where you put in your account balance, risk percentage.
Wait,
Stuff.
Marco's a student though, right?
Yeah.
Marco, get that from the cloud,
yeah,
bro.
true,
That's
true.
what I was
There you go.
telling you, fool.
Yeah.
Get it from where?
The
On
cloud.
the cloud. We have this in the cloud, but with with our colors or bullshit, whatever.
Regardless, you closed out right on time. Well, actually, no. That shit would have gone. Actually, no. That shit would have gone against you. wait.
No, I know, but
that shit.
honestly,
Hold up,
like,
because check this out. If your trade was right here to catch this, and all of a sudden the market's back in your in your entry, and then it went against you. Oh, dude, you would have blown your account.
Yeah.
You would have been really close to blowing your account.
No, he would have blown it.
Yeah.
24 pips.
24 pips, dude. You would have blown your account.
No, I know. That's what I was fucking risking.
Your $150 would have been gone the first night, dude. Think of it that way.
First trade.
Yeah, you probably.
Well,
would
I
have been like,
guess the thing that I did gain out of this was not being scared, you know.
Yeah, and reckless too. Listen, man.
Not being scared, not being dumb, bro.
Listen, man. One thing.
I love you, dog.
One thing, man. Like, I mean, we're here to help you guys, man. We're here to help you as well.
No. We're
not trying to like talk some shit or whatever. No, man. Like I
no,
said.
Yeah, we talking shit because you did something stupid. Don't do that.
Yeah, don't be doing that.
Because then what's gonna happen is you're gonna get super unmotivated and super discouraged.
Yeah, and you're probably gonna give up on it. You're probably gonna
give up. No.
Yeah.
We gotta. I know it sounds dumb, like we're beating on you. But you can ask Fabian, Jeffrey, Ruben, trading with us.
No, I know, bro.
That's what makes you. That's what makes you proper risk management. What everybody think?
Exactly.
Let everybody,
What? Hey, those of you guys in the chat, man. How important do you think risk management is? Like, if you had to scale it from 1 to 10, what would you say it is, man? And I'm expecting the same answer from everybody. A 10,
Yo, Aero, Sonia said that at least I didn't blow a $2,000 account.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, true. That happened to me though. Man. I fucking blew up.
Facts, guys.
Extremely. There you go, Jeffrey, Fabian. Hell yeah, like super important, bro. This is what's gonna help you last in the long run, dude. Long term.
No, I know. Yeah, it's just slow. You gotta take it slow.
Yeah.
The problem is it's super easy to see $50 profits, $500 profits, compared to $4 or $5 profits.
Trust me, you would have seen those $50 like as soon as you got into your app. You'd have been like, oh shit, I just flipped my account from 150 to 200. That would have been great, but then you would have been tempted enough to do it again.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And then again, you know what I mean? So it's not always gonna go your way. Bro, you can make all the money you want.
Yeah, Fabian said it right.
But you see,
Fabian, you're 100% right.
Uh-huh.
That's the thing, bro. Being a millionaire, getting to $1 million, that's easy. That's super easy. Waiting, keeping that $1 million, that's the hard part.
Yeah, I love that. He said, bro, you can make all the money you want, but keeping it is the hardest part. And it really is.
Yeah. No, that's true, bro.
Yeah. So, again, dude, not put it short on what? On this level here?
Put it short.
Yeah.
Oh, is that your entry?
Yeah, I took out some of my profit.
That's what he said.
Oh, yeah.
Remember we were telling him? He got it from a really good...
No, this fool been in, bro.
That's great, bro.
Good shit,
40
dude.
Pips, dude. Good shit.
Right now. I'm holding this shit down to 540.
540.
Oh, okay. So you're still holding? Where's your stop loss right now?
Because I took half of it at my 20. Where's
your stop loss
break
right
even.
now?
I'm up 10 pips on my stop loss.
No. Wait.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I'm paying myself regardless. I'm not gonna.
He should.
Oh, your stop loss is break even?
No, 10 pips above break even.
So my whole
he's profiting either if he
regardless. Okay, got it.
Hey, Steven, that's great.
That's
Steven,
awesome.
that's great.
No, that's all.
I was just about to tell you to make sure you're never let your winners turn to losers.
Yep.
Never do. No, that's a no.
I profited from I took out half of my lot size, so then I was like, all right, I took some from there, and then after that, right now, I don't want to break even because I'm already up more than 20 pips.
Dude, that's fine. Honestly, here, let me write it down right here, dude. Listen, It shouldn't come above this area. Honestly, this should be your stop loss. I'm sure it's a little. It's
137,000.
But bro.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. I think.
Great. That was
that's a
badass trade.
Yeah,
badass trade. Honestly, no.
It really is. It really is.
Let's call it what it is. Yo, Steven, badass trade, man. Good job.
Hell yeah.
That's like class A trade. That's that's the fucking trades we was taking like 2 weeks ago before GJ fucked us.
Yeah, GJ fucked us all week. Jesus Christ. GJ literally fucked us all.
For like 1,000 a day, dude. We used to take like 1,000, 500,000 a day. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's great.
And then it's just been that range. No. I think it's that range.
I think, sometimes you go through phases where you kind of go away from your plan sometimes. And you try some other things that
you get super confident. I think that's what it is.
And I think that's if you're gonna stick to a system, like try to figure out that system. Now they say that
you ate all the candy.
That shit is delicious.
We got no candy.
I know.
God
fuck.
Damn.
We got more pork rinds.
You want pork rinds? I want pork rinds.
Yeah. Hell yeah. That'd be cool. Anyway, listen.
I'm sorry, guys.
So, listen, man. I'm saying.
I'm gonna put it right there so Jessica don't notice.
Nah, fuck that. No.
Put it with rocks.
Fuck that. Hell no. We end up getting like 3 Snickers bars and shit. Anyway, so what was that talking about? Fuck. Yo, what was I talking about? Huh?
Quality trades. And you were still regañando a Marco.
No,
coming back again to Korea, friend.
That's my cousin, bro. We grew up together, so it's like. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna teach him whatever it takes. Dude, I'm gonna teach him what I know, right? But like, he's gonna go through this kind of shit all the time, especially if he wants to take it serious, bro. Like, I'm gonna.
Yo, Marco, to be honest, bro, if you feel ballsy and you're not so sure and you want to feel the gamble feeling, go to your demo, bro. It's never bad to go back to your demo.
Yeah, that's like, very true.
When everybody was trading Bitcoin, I went to my demo because I was nervous because I wasn't that familiar with it.
Yeah.
There was a while in the chat we was hyped as fuck trading Bitcoin like throughout the day. And we kind of cut back on that one.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah, for sure. I'm change my strategy and shit.
No. Listen, I agree, man. Listen, the best way to test out a system, especially to get comfortable with like your entries, because that's super important. You can't impulsively just get in. You have to plan out your trades, right? So this right here, as soon as you saw the market break this low, this could have been an entry. Obviously, you didn't see any drawdowns, so you would have hit your TP right away. But notice that had you waited for the actual retest where the market jumped right back up to retest this breakout, this could have been your ideal trade. And even at that point there, man, you're catching about 20 pips on that single trade. So, you have to back test this as many times as you can. So what you have to do is just go back into time whenever you have free time and start looking at these setups and try to like analyze them. Does it happen every single time we break out? And if it doesn't, then why is it, what else do I need to look for? So plan out your trades. If your trades play out the way you want them to, let the trades come to you. Don't chase the trades. Let them come to you. Literally, that's it. And if you can get that shit down, bro, like that will, change your whole trading game. Like, honestly, bro. So it's all about discipline. And it's all about like making sure that like what you did earlier, like I said, you're learning, dude. You're learning. You're going to make mistakes all the time, right? I still make mistakes to this day. There's times where I'm like, fuck, like, dude, I should have seen that. I've been doing it for so long, like I should have seen that. And but again, you learn from them, right? And so this is something you're gonna learn from this, and now you're gonna be able to take the right lot sizes on trades to make sure your account lasts a really long time.
Yeah.
So you know what I mean? So yeah.
Nah, sure, bro.
Yeah. Last nigga really brought the fucking pork rinds. Look at this shit. And he brought a fucking, look at this shit.
There you go.
Yes, sir. And he got fucking Modelo.
You want Modelo? You still have tequila.
No, I'm good on the tequila.
Yo, I'm drinking some Jameson right now. So
God damn, what is that?
Bro, we ran out of hot sauce.
Huh?
What is that? Truffle sauce?
That's
Oh, okay.
No, Cholula.
What is that? Let me see. What is that?
Yo, have you guys ever?
Jameson? Damn, all
Yeah,
right.
Davidson.
That's cool, man. Oh yeah.
Yo, have you guys came in the trade hella drunk or something, and then you did something you regretted?
Yes, sir. All the time. I regret all the trades. Nah. Hey, you know what? Honestly, man, like we don't. When we got into the trade earlier, I was good. I'm still good right now. I'm just saying, but we try not to.
We don't do nothing.
We don't.
You're working, bro. It's a 9 to 5.
Yeah. It's a 9 to 5.
Except it really is like an 11 to 2.
11 to 2, man.
But I mean, I take this over any 9 to 5 any day, bro.
So guys, I know this is off topic, but griddles is open.
What's that?
And now I'm going to griddle.
Yeah. You know what sounds good? Some pancakes.
Do you want to go
Griddle.
to home?
Hell no. What the fuck?
We wake up Tristan.
Hell no. No, I was just joking.
Go to
It
griddle.
sounds good. Doesn't
Put it
necessarily
on
mean.
mute.
Yo, what you say? I didn't hear you guys.
No, we have not gone to the gym, bitch. No. I can't do it. Hell no.
You
What
guys
the
are
fuck?
slacking, bro. I went this whole week.
Lying ass.
You and I
Liar.
didn't go. I swear
Liar.
to God, motherfuckers. Yo, I went yesterday, I went today, and I ran motherfuckers. And then I'm going tomorrow too.
Lying ass.
I'm not lying. The only time I didn't go was Monday.
I haven't
But I
gone.
went
This is
Tuesday,
my
Wednesday, and
fourth day.
Thursday.
Huh?
Oh, hold on.
We made reservations though.
The
We
what?
made reservations, but we never went to them.
Nah, that was me like a week ago. I'm not lying. I made the reservation. I just never went.
We setting ourselves for failure now. We go to sleep at 3 in the morning and we make reservations to go to the gym at 8 a.m.
That's a
And
problem.
it takes us an hour to get there. So
It takes us an hour to get.
We
We gotta wake up at
6.
6:45 a.m. 15
Hell
minutes
no.
to get ready,
You
an
do
hour
good.
to get there.
I got
Why
an
didn't you
hour.
guys- Yo, make the reservation and result go at 6:30. All you guys gotta go early.
Nah. It's for 6:30. That's a problem though, man. Even at 6:30 is packed as fuck.
It's gonna be packed regardless of the day.
No, it ain't. Not throughout the day.
No, 2 o'clock is the best time.
Yeah.
11 to like 2, 3, best time.
Yeah.
Nobody going.
I bet I'm going tomorrow around that time then.
I wasn't here. It's right there.
I get out of work at 12, then I'm going straight to the gym.
It's right there.
What is that?
Go to the bathroom today.
What are you saying?
Me están regañando, güey.
Están regañando, güey.
Yo le van a dar una pera a Marguitos.
No, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Ya valió verga, güey.
They can do
Wait,
it.
it's about to break that low, man.
And GJ here?
We could enter now. You want to try one?
Hold up. Let's see.
And make the stop loss the long, the short of it.
If that's gonna break out, then. Yeah. I'm making it.
It's only 8 pips, 9.3.
Yeah, that's just it. All right. It actually just closed. All right, we're getting in
You here for the
Oh,
buy?
there you go. Good.
on GJ.
Yeah. It was good. It was good. Even if it's just
What?
10 pips. There you go.
So you guys did a buy right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. As soon as
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We got into a buy, bro.
oh my god, right there. Let's go, baby.
Well, that's because I can't even hear with the music and shit.
Oh, what you mean?
That's kind of hard to hear.
Music
sometimes when you
is
guys
a little
talk.
bit loud.
Is it really?
Yeah.
All right.
Just a little bit.
I'm trying to hear, and then the music's kind of loud and shit, you know?
Nah, bro, you getting the belt right now. Stop.
You guys are all.
Sorry, Marco.
Marco.
I'm gonna have to agree with Steve.
Marco,
It sounds like
you got a lot of kick.
Yeah, you getting the belt tonight, man. Listen, bro. Listen, man. Listen. I gotta set up a one-on-one with you sometime this weekend. Maybe sometime this weekend. We got to.
Nah, you got Triscuits.
Oh yeah, true. No, hey, listen. Next week, Monday. Are you busy Monday?
No, I'm good, bro. We can do it Monday.
All right, cool. We're gonna one-on-one on Monday. That way. Yo, hey, where's Sonia at? Yo, where's Sonia at? Put her on.
She's right here next to me, bro.
Sonia, listen.
Sonia, hi.
Sonia, regaña este
Hi.
güey.
Ah, I don't even hear. I never heard Aero speak Spanish, Sonia. That's crazy.
What happened? What's up?
Hey,
No.
Sonia, what's
Hey,
up?
what's up?
What's going on?
Yo,
My name is Victor. I'm Ariel's best friend.
There you
I
go.
think Ariel's Marco's cousin or something.
yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
No,
sorry,
she didn't hear the mic. Right, listen. Tell this fool.
I tried to.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
good.
tell that motherfucker
Good.
to pay attention.
Good. Yes. Good. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So you took out the chacleta or la Corea?
I tried to. It's just that he gets. ¿Cómo te digo?
¿Cómo te digo?
Sandera.
Like he gets like he can look at this all day.
Yeah.
All day. Just stare at it all day, literally, from morning to night.
Listen,
Just
hey,
look at it,
listen to
which
me.
is not
You
bad.
that's a bad thing.
That's from the woman's perspective.
That's
You're
a
right.
bad thing. Okay.
I had that. You
Marco,
had that, right?
I had that, and I don't mean to talk shit or anything like that, but that's something you have to find your balance. All right, you have to find your balance. You can't take too much into this, and
That's what we trade for financial, not for financial freedom, to have the free time, bro.
to have the free time. But I feel like when I had this I'm not trying to get into relationships right now. That kind of advice.
No, we already
but
did. Yeah.
We already did. Okay, all right.
already
So,
did. We already
god damn. All right, man. Listen.
Dude, Sonia brought it up.
Sonia brought it up.
Marco,
Fuck.
I'm sorry to tell you.
Sandra got
Marco,
away.
listen to me. Look at me in the camera right now. I'm
Yeah,
sorry to tell you.
let's do it.
But your lady 100% right, bro.
Yeah.
It literally takes us 30 to 1 hour to break the charts.
Yeah.
You need to pay attention. You can't be staring at the charts every day. Don't make the same
Go
mistake
ahead,
I made when I was trading.
I'm on it.
I neglected my relationship. Same thing. I'm pretty sure same thing over here. I'm
My
telling
girl,
you.
listen, my ex went off and cheated on me because of this shit.
Oh.
Hey, yeah, I know, but we got into the subject. Listen,
You gotta watch it.
I'm not saying, listen,
Shit got
Sonia.
serious
No,
right now.
listen. Sonia's got a point.
Put this shit out of here.
Margo, you gotta balance it out, bro.
Just
And-
like you do any job, bro.
And I'm gonna teach you how to really simplify this shit. That way you're not on this all day.
Yo, Marco, it's honestly less complicated than what we make it. We make it seem complicated, but it's not.
But hey, you know what? Honestly, when I was first learning, I was on this shit all the day, all the
Hey,
time.
me too.
I was.
I'll be the same thing I'm trying to do.
No,
yeah.
Like
but
that's the
it's
thing though, like
Go ahead.
I understand his point of view, you know what I mean? Like we sit down and we talk about it and we review it and we look through it, you know?
Yeah.
But there's sometimes where he gets it to the point where he's like, oh, like I want to give it a more try. I want to do demo tries, you know, like that because he's so excited, hyped up about it. So he does like trades, you know, throughout like here and there, and he's like,
I demo traded for like 6 months, honestly, after I got done losing money. So,
after.
Listen, honestly, I blew like 7-8 accounts, and I think it accumulated to like $9,000 in total. And that's not counting the courses that I took, which was like another like $4,000 that I invested. So, and now I made all of that back, plus like, you know, where I'm at now. Like we do this shit for a living, but it's, you know, you find the balance, right? I know at the beginning it's you get to a point where you really want to put in the time and you really want to understand it, but there's a time and place for that, right? One of the things that I definitely learned from it when I was in a relationship was just, you know, not taking all my focus out of what I had going on to just straight into trading, because I knew that, like, I knew where this would take us as far as like the potential wise. Like, had my ex not, again, I don't mean to put her on here, but had it not gone down the way it did, me and her would probably be doing really good right now.
I'm just gonna sip my tea.
So she didn't see the vision, okay? She didn't see the vision as the way I saw it. So I feel that if your partner can see the vision with you,
No.
that, listen, man, like,
I
no.
get what you're saying.
You know what I mean? Like,
I get what you're saying. Listen, but that just means it's not just your vision.
No, it's not.
It's her vision too, and,
Yes.
and you guys both intertwine with one another.
Yes.
You guys build each other up, right? Like,
Yeah.
maybe this is Marcos's dream, yeah, right? So
Passion.
passion, dream, whatever. So you, Sonia, you know, not knowing you, you follow it, you support it. Maybe you don't believe it 100%, but at least you support it and you follow it, right? But in that same sense, Marco has to do the same thing with your dream.
Absolutely, 100%.
You know, if not, it's not gonna work. Whoa, okay, that's sorry.
It will work out.
Yeah, it'll work out, but you know, you guys have to talk about it. Listen. Communication.
Oh, we know it will work out.
There you go. Okay, good.
Listen, communication is the number one. You know, it's the number one killer of a relationship.
Yeah.
So definitely, like Marcos, loses or wins, you know, communicate, dude. Like, you know, and that's the part of growing up, of mending up, and it not only communicating helps your relationship, but
You know that, guys.
No, facts, though.
It helps you.
Yes.
It really helps you because it keeps you in check. It keeps you. It's like, you know how governments have. You know, government has the three judicial systems.
Yeah.
You know, the education, the whatever, blah blah blah. You guys know what I mean, right? Because they have to keep what's called a check and balances. Or what we would say in the market.
What are you talking about? Okay, go ahead. Get to the fucking point, bro. What are you talking about?
Trading to fucking.
Anyways,
go ahead.
I think he's lost, but anyways, that's really great that you guys.
All right, awesome, right on. Hell yeah, cheers to that, man. Fuck yeah.
No, it's because you know.
No, I'm sorry if I went a little bit too much.
Listen, one of the things.
All I'm saying is you both have to support each other.
Yes, absolutely, 100%, 110%. Listen,
no, I'm sorry.
110%.
I just remember what I was trying to say.
Yeah,
you have to support each other.
Go ahead, tell me. What's up?
No, the thing is that, like, I do enjoy doing this. You know what I mean? But I put less time to it than he does. You know what I mean?
No,
like,
but you don't have to enjoy doing this.
Like, I let my brain rest because I know how much my brain can take.
So you're just as equally as invested. Is that what you're saying? Into trying to learn it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So she's trying to learn it too.
Oh, you're trying to learn it.
Okay, all right.
So this is something you like too. Yeah, no, for sure. Listen, the more you look at charts, the more they're gonna change.
Oh,
and
yeah.
the more you're gonna change your analysis.
Oh yeah.
Do your analysis. Do it quick. Go about your day. This is why we do this. We don't do this for the. I mean, yeah, the money's great.
How much to be student? $325, man, at the moment. $325. That's probably the lowest it'll probably ever get to. But it's bro, you learn a lot, man. And then you're kind of seeing the personality here between us two. So this is kind of the kind of knowledge you're gonna end up gaining from the course.
This is great. Let me tell you why it's great. Because usually people, you know, when you have a mentorship or when you're in any class, etc., in college too, this applies to college. Usually, like, you know, to history teachers or whatever, they usually agree on what they're going to teach their students, right? Here with Aero myself, we're two different type of traders, right? Now, like I'm long term on the swinger, you know, not so much intraday, and he's a scalper intraday, so we always have that like yin yang relationship where we always question each other, but questioning each other makes us better because you really don't want to be wrong, right? You always want to be right, so you study that much harder. And you know, when I was going back to the other point before I lost like my train of thought, like definitely support one another, right? Because that's the only way it's gonna work out. Because trading is hard. Honestly, it's hard. Let's be honest, right? If trading was easy, everybody would be a millionaire. Let's be honest.
You know what was
but let me just finish that real quick. You see, this is how we always argue. But like, if you guys are supporting one another, like it goes the same way. Like even if this wasn't something Sonia wanted to do, let's say you want to be a model, right? Or maybe I'm just being sexist. I said model. I don't know. I'm freaking out. But you know, you want to be a TikToker. He has to support you just as much, right? But that doesn't mean that it has to do anything with trading. It's just the relationship aspect. The only problem is that when you trade, a lot of emotions are involved. Well, that's it. I'm done. I think Aero. We had a good point.
I'm over here trying to chew on this shit. This shit's hard as fuck. Anyway.
Which one?
The candy under the drink.
Oh,
holy shit.
Yeah.
So, what was I gonna say? Fuck. All right. God damn.
Hey, time out. I just I just closed out 50% of my trade.
I'm still running it.
One of the things, man, as a trader, like when I had my ex of 6 years, I don't mean to get into this topic, but like we're already in it, right? One of the things was, man, like if I would take a loss, the hardest thing for me was trying to hide that. Because as soon as I know, I get it. Exactly, I get it.
You can't hide it.
You can't hide it.
You hide it. Listen, Marco, if you hide your losses and you only tell your girl your winners, eventually she's gonna know. She's gonna know. But most importantly, you lie to yourself.
Yeah, you lie to yourself.
Because that's what I meant. Like, your girl keeps you in check.
Here's the problem.
You wouldn't want to prove her right.
Here's the problem.
Her, you know?
Here's
I know my wife, by the way, but fuck her. You don't want to prove her wrong.
True.
Right?
Okay.
You don't want to prove her right, right? Like, no, hell no. So you gotta make sure you go that extra mile to make sure you don't take any L's.
Yeah, facts. Listen, man. One of the things that I know when I try to go full time the first time around, which is back in 2018, I remember my ex-girlfriend would hit me up I would wake up in the morning super early and to trade New York session, and then as soon as I would come back to bed, the first question she would ask me, how much money did you make? Oh my god, bro, that shit would like fuck with me because I'd be like,
they will be good, but on a bad day.
No, but when I would lose, I would still lie to her. I would lie to her.
You would sleep outside?
Yeah, I would lie to her.
I would get upset.
Listen, I would lie to her and tell her, yeah, you know what, baby, I make some money. But like, I knew deep inside I was fucked. Deep inside, I'm like down fucking $500-600.
You can't do that, Marco.
No, you can't.
This is why, and you know, anybody watching us, guys. I know we went a little bit off topic, but this is what life is, right?
This is real shit, though.
But this is real shit. Like, you know, there's like 8 of you guys watching us. Like, yo, you know, like this is really the stuff that nobody else talks about. Like,
real talk. I actually kind of
like how much is it to be a student? Like, bro, who cares how much it is? Join. We're giving you the real shit. And no.
Yeah.
I appreciate you, honestly, and you know whether you take the course or not. Like to us, the course was different. Not saying that we're the shit or anything, but to us, the course was more to like, bro, if we can do it,
You can do it.
you guys can do it.
Yeah.
And then if you guys can do it, it makes us look like 100% better. So we weren't even gonna do a course because at the beginning we were just like fine, like yo, we were still training together, me and him, before we brought people on board, and we had ups and downs.
Yeah.
But when we really decided to like have students and stuff, like we were having more ups and downs. You know what I'm saying? So like, it was like it was a no-brainer for us to be like, if we're really good at what we do, then why why is it us that have to eat? You know what I'm saying? If we're really good at what we do, then we can teach everybody what we know. Then they will make money, right? Because who gives a fuck? What, like if I'm gonna make $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month, whatever, right? But Aero only makes $2,000 a month. Like how does that? Like I can't have the type of fun that I want to have, right? So like if we can have our students profit and make something out of themselves because they learn from us, I feel like that's more monetary value than anything we could teach you.
Yeah, facts.
Like to me, I don't give a fuck. You can give me $1,000, right? And it'll be great. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna take it. I want to teach you whatever. But bro, to me, if one of my students is successful, that's like that's the most money. Like dude, that like. We have like 3 students right now that are doing really well.
We do have 3 students.
We have 3 students that are really doing well. One student just, 2 of them from Florida, one of them, from here that he's starting to do kind of well and shit. And like, dude, that like, like I love that. Like, fuck the money. I don't give a fuck about the money. We don't make our money off mentorships. We're not like these motherfuckers. That's why we do this shit live. That's why we show your wins, we show your losses, whatever we do. We honestly do this shit because, like, yo, it's like, it picks up, I know it sounds selfish, but it picks up your self-esteem. Yeah. Right? If I can make people make money, bro, if I can change somebody's life, bro, dude, like, for real, we're like maybe like 2-3 years away from changing somebody's fucking generation. You know what I'm saying? Like, these people are making money, they're making decent money, they're making a livable wage. But once they start making, like, real money, bro. Yeah. Have you ever thought about, like, how deep that is?
No,
like,
you know what? Dude, honestly,
money,
one thing that I've noticed is we do have a few students who are, like, really killing it right now. And just because they've been able to apply themselves, right? Mm-hmm. Do not buy. We are not buying at this moment. No. Listen, man, like we're not buying at the moment. Actually, I'm pretty much done trading. I ended up making like a good solid $806. So that's pretty good. That's a solid day. So I don't really need to trade any longer. But
no, bro.
yeah, no, that's I'm good with that.
Guys, you guys make anything over 300, call it a day.
Yeah. Now again,
the more you trade, the more you're gonna be willing yourself to lose.
Don't get me wrong. Listen, it's not like I'm making this shit every fucking day. I'll be very transparent with you. I take losses. I have losing days where I give up.
Be transparent. They see your chart every time we're
I take a quick sell on GC.
Yo, CR took a quick GC like GBP cat. Yeah. Oh, let's see it. Well, I mean, you see our past videos, guys. You see our wins, you see our losses, you see us lose $200, $300. You see us fucking win $1,000. Like, yo, it is.
That shit looks spicy right there, bro. That shit look nice.
Go to the 30 minute, 1 hour. Let's do 1 hour. Oh, this is 1 hour.
This is 30 minute. The 1 hour.
I see 15.
No,
because I'm looking at YouTube. Which one's the 30 minute?
This one.
1 hour. This is 1 hour. Go in. Nah, have we been up for what? 2-3 hours? Yeah, we would have sold from here. Look.
Yeah, no, for sure. I mean, we would have sold, but like look at that. That's solid, man. Good trade. Fuck yeah. Good.
Hey, dude,
good
that was
shit.
a great trade. Great trade. Even if we would have seen it an hour, 3 hours ago, it would have been here. Last hour ago, it would have been here. And how many pips is this in?
1 second, let me bring this up real quick.
That's probably still like over like 14 pips.
Okay, that was your trade right there on GBP Swiss franc, huh? Dope. Hey, that's some good shit, man.
So
like,
pound Swift?
That's at 1 hour, so 1 minute, so 64 down to 54. 10 pips. Nice, good shit. That's what I'm talking about, man. Like, you gotta know where your entries are, where your stop losses are, where your take profits are gonna be, and just let them play out. That's it.
Using the bathroom.
Yeah. Do your thing, man. Listen, honestly, guys, Marco, Sonia, listen, I'm just telling you guys this because this is the kind of shit I went through. And that shit became toxic as fuck. I don't know if you guys are still listening to. And honestly, guys, Marco, Sonia, oh, there you go. They're listening. I hear it. I hear it. That shit became fuck. Yeah. Are you guys watching?
Yeah, but this thing's not freaking discharging.
Oh, I can hear the echo. That's why. But no, you guys are good. You guys are good now.
Yeah, that's because I'm charging my iPad.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. No, but you know what, dude? Listen, I think it's awesome that you both are trying to learn. Like, that's cool shit. Like, had I tried to have my ex fucking trying to learn, like, she didn't even give it a chance. She didn't see the same thing I saw. So it was like, so it was a little bit hard to explain. It was a little bit hard to like help her understand that, hey, you listen, sometimes I take losses. So that's why I would hold back my emotions sometimes. And I felt like that kind of affected what we had going on.
For sure.
But like, if you both are trying to learn, that's awesome. Like, that shit's great because at that point,
I honestly wish I wish my lady would try to do that. Right?
And I'm gonna teach my lady in the next coming week or so. Like, I already,
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah.
I don't know. He told me about it. He told me about it. He told me that you would trade and things like that.
Yeah, no, but even then, Sonia, listen, Marco has an account, so just jump into the account and you can start watching the videos yourself. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
So like, start watching the courses so you guys can both sit down on the couch, fucking watching the TV and watching the damn, watching the course. Like, just learn together. That would be dope.
Yeah, that's what we do, and then sometimes like I'll be working like most of the time, and I don't make time, so I will talk and hey, when are we gonna look at some videos?
There you go.
It's like,
oh no, shit,
that's cool. See, that's what I'm saying. That's dope.
Yo, Marcos, you dumb if you don't take this opportunity, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
I don't know you like that, bro. That's like once in a lifetime.
Yeah, facts, bro. Facts.
Yeah, I've always liked working with numbers.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you put it to me, I'm like, oh, that is interesting.
I love fucking with numbers too.
This is one of the things, like, if you like math, you'll be great at it.
What?
But even if you like hate math, it's enough math for you to understand. But if you love math, you be really breaking numbers down.
This shit right here challenges me every single day, and I love it. Like, this is the one thing that I'm like, I didn't go to college. I didn't go to school, right? We went to college, but we dropped out, bitch. Listen.
I went, bitch. I finished.
No, you fucking lying ass. No, you fucking did it. Listen. So, we're in the same class, stupid ass. No, you fucking did it.
You're waking up Tristan. Shut the fuck up.
My bad. All right, listen. So, this is the one thing that like gets challenged.
He graduated Trades Academy.
The what?
I said he graduated Trades Academy.
There you go. That's it. Yeah. What do I get with course? Yo, Ruben, listen, man. You get up to, I think we have 31 videos on the actual course that teach you from a beginner level, intermediate level, advanced level. You get a psychology section. You also get a private Telegram group along with a Facebook group, and you get to have unlimited one-on-ones with us, man.
Listen, Ruben, let me tell you, because you're having one-on-ones, Ruben.
All right, go ahead.
Let me tell you what you get with our course.
There you go. Yeah.
This is not, everybody, even the best people, right? And when I say the best people to me right now are like Uncle Ted, Amanaj, Sean Lee, Q Banks, Lambo Raul, Daniel Savage, like those guys,
Monty's cool.
Monty, Mamba, etc. Those guys are good. They're amazing traders. what these guys are not gonna tell you is honestly what you get with our course that's different from everybody else's course is our experience, bro. We made those mistakes so you didn't have to.
Facts.
We're literally teaching you how not to make those mistakes. Right? And I know it doesn't sound like, oh, that's all. No, bro. Like, this is literally all. Like, so that when we learn, we didn't learn from like somebody else had like a great course and we learned from trial and error. I think at the very end, I took somebody named Raja's course and it kind of clicked, and Aero took another course and it kind of clicked. But like, what you're really are getting with our course is our experience, right? Everything that we've done wrong, we have put it in the course so you guys don't have to do that.
Yeah.
And to the point where like, I think during, a couple, maybe if you rewind 30 minutes earlier, re-hear this, because I definitely recommend you guys to re-watch the streams, especially this one. This one has, like, we should start charging for this, bro. Like, legit.
but it's YouTube, it's free. It's, you know what I mean?
Like, dude, this is great. Like,
yeah.
I'm telling you stuff that, like, and the only reason why I'm telling you this is because I have bought courses that are like $2-3 grand.
Yeah, I have too. Yeah, I legit
and like,
have.
Yeah, I know. Like, and they don't tell you this stuff. I've seen the best. I'm telling you, I've seen the best courses because I just told you who I think one of the best people are, and I'm telling you, I've seen their best courses, and they're not as good as this.
No,
they're
listen,
not as good as this.
Like, I'm sure you've heard of like. Listen, and again, I learned from Q Banks. I actually took his 5-day in-person course, and a lot of people talk about it, right? So when I was there, I did learn a lot. But now that, this was 2 years ago, now that I'm like where I'm at, it's like, wait a minute, bro, like I could have learned that shit. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
So
it just took a lot.
It's
trial and error.
Trial and error, exactly.
Trial and error.
Then I ended up taking BDFX. That was another guy. He was what's Bernie. I took his course.
From Astro, yeah.
Astro FX.
What were they doing different?
What were they doing different? You know what? Honestly, they weren't like
they got really,
Bernie was just
really
straight
big.
webinars. Bernie was just straight webinars.
Yeah,
He wasn't actual course.
Bernie would do like what we're doing now. He would do it like once a month.
Yeah.
And dude, Bernie's great. I love Bernie. He actually used to be a professional soccer player.
Yeah, he was.
He played for
the Wolves in England.
For West Ham. For West Ham.
Okay, yeah. All right, and so anyway, that there, Q Banks. I mean, honestly, his experience. Really, what it is, if you look at his Instagram, it's like, holy shit, like who the fuck is this guy, right? But that's why people buy into the kind of hype, right? But I have his mentorship. I'm able to like log in whenever the fuck I want. But he's not doing the kind of things where like it's very personable. It's like you buy the course, that's it. That's it. That's all you're doing.
Let's be honest. Let's tell him how it is.
Which honestly, man, I mean, I get it. He's got like over like 2K students, right? Which is cool. There's a lot of people for him to keep up with. Obviously, right now we have the time in the world, bro. Like it really is. So if you get it like now, early on, where we're like, we have the time in the world, even if we surpass a certain amount of students. I know myself, dude. Listen, I have one-on-ones with students all the fucking time, and if I don't have the time, I'll create the time. Like,
you do.
You know, and so that's one of the benefits. That me or Victor, like, we're always available, dude. Honestly,
no,
like,
fuck that. Let's tell it how it is. He just told you he learned from fucking Q. I just told you I learned from Roger Sahil, not Roger Banks, the Wixon Light guy. Another guy. His real name is Aman. Aman. And I learned from him. You know, Roger Sahil. That's on his Instagram is Roger Sahil, but his real name's Aman.
Yeah.
Like I learned from these guys, and their courses was, the course was great, but like it was lacking that little bit, until it finally clicked, and it only clicked after a lot of trial and error. And maybe it's on us that we didn't understand the actual teachings right, but I'm telling you, we don't even charge a fourth of what the other people are charging you guys.
Yeah.
And these guys don't care about you. How many mentors you see are doing this with you? How many people trade with you live?
Yeah.
Right?
Facts. No,
you guys
not,
are seeing our
many.
wins.
Not too many.
You guys are seeing our losses.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We didn't take a loss until like a week ago.
Yeah.
We've been like constantly catching pips, and then we took, this whole week has been shitty. We've been breaking even or taking. We took 3 losses out of 5 days. Like, it's just part of the game. We don't sugarcoat this shit. This is not sugarcoated. This is real. This is as real as it gets.
Yeah, facts.
You get our wins, you get our losses, and it is what it is. But I feel like that's something that we do because I feel like you guys appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you guys appreciate it because we're so transparent. And that's one of the things that, like, when I was coming up, I wish people would have been transparent with me, right? Because it was so hard. Like, signals, right? Like signals don't work. You know that. Signals don't work. But nobody will show you. Everybody will show you when they made a big account, right? When they had, to me, a big account when I first started was $100 days, right?
Yeah.
Or 300, 500, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. But you will only see the wins.
Yeah.
You would never see the losses, and that to me was like, holy fuck! I was having a bunch of losses at the time. I was like, damn, what the fuck am I doing wrong? What can I do to be better? Right? I was just scared. I was thinking I'm never gonna make it. But it's not our fault, to be honest, guys. Like, if I'm only showing you my wins, right, and not showing you my losses. You in your mind, you think, in your psychology, you're like, oh, this guy doesn't lose, right? So why am I losing 3-4 times out of 10 when this guy doesn't even lose one, right? And you could be losing 7 out of 10, whatever, it don't matter. But it's just like what the fuck is going on? It messes up with your psyche. So like, bro, this is great. This is like
Dogecoin.
Yo, Dogecoin. What's up with Dogecoin?
It's dropping bad.
Start playing with me.
Bro, it went from almost 75 cents, almost 7 cents, to right now is at 3.
Oh no shit.
Oh, it is. Yeah, 3 cents.
Why? Look at the 1 hour. I can see the 1 hour.
Yeah. I lost $3,000. Fuck.
Oh. It came back down to retest that area.
Yeah. It might be.
That what?
But look how.
Yeah, I lost $3,523.
Damn.
But my total return is $3,693.
Oh, she's so proud.
I lost 31%, but overall, because I don't know why I bought Dogecoin. I think I put like $100 in Dogecoin, so I bought it when it was like super low.
Yeah.
Not even a penny.
Not even a penny.
No,
exactly.
right? Yeah. Not even a penny. Not even like half a penny, bro.
Yeah.
Same. That's what I'm still riding on. I put in $100, like around, what was it? Like on my birthday, and then after that, way before that, I already had $200 in like 4 years ago.
Wow.
So where you at right now as far as
you,
profit?
You waited 4 years to double your profit?
Bro, I held that shit, and I was mad because I had Neo as well, and I didn't hold it.
He held it for 4 years to get
to double his profit. I'm
even laughing. Bro, you guys did the same thing with XRP.
Shut up, bitch. No, I didn't. Listen, you know what?
Dude, I haven't bought XRP since 13 cents.
Where is XRP?
No,
Jesus
17
Christ,
cents.
bro.
That you held through all this chaos right now?
That shit was stupid.
Yeah, I bought it so late. I bought my first XRP was like at 5 cents, bro.
What I do feel bad for is your homegirl, man, Chelsea, dog.
Oh, I forgot.
She dropped like 7K on XRP at like 65 cents, bruh.
No,
And
it's going back up though. Tell her it's going back up.
Tell her it's gonna go back up for another 5 years. Tell her just hold.
Every Nah, I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, no, I mean,
what is it? 28 for
28 for 419, yeah, 420, yeah.
Wow.
So,
That's
hey,
not bad.
nah, question though. Listen, Sonia, Marco, have you guys learned a lot from the course so far?
Time out. Fabian. Answer Fabian.
Yo, what's up?
Do they use any bots or straight up analysis trading? Who are you talking about?
Like the good guys?
Oh, the good guys? I'm
I
not
don't think
sure,
so.
man. I know they have EAs. Some of them do have EAs. But yeah, most of them do is straight up like analysis. Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of the things I like that you guys like taught us and stuff. Is like not to use like signals or like those EMAs and all that stuff. Like how
I
to
mean,
break
listen,
down-
there ain't nothing wrong with like applying this,
but
you know,
like
slapping.
let's say that you can't use those tools. Let's
Oh
say
yeah,
for
yeah,
some-
yeah. Like
at a chart
like
that
honestly,
doesn't have those
don't.
tools,
Yeah.
like you need to identify that. Like now, if I look at Coinbase or if I look at like Robinhood, I don't need to use those tools.
Oh yeah, facts,
there you
facts,
go. Good-
facts.
And
That's good. That's
but,
good.
But at this point, you will be considered intermediate.
Yeah, no, absolutely, 100%. Because, like, I don't. The only reason I have that EMA is because like Marco brought it up, right? But honestly, dude, I just like trade the naked charts. That's it. Like just straight up, nothing to.
Something that basically said he never said that's the EMA.
Yeah, no, you're definitely right. Yeah, you know what it is though? It's really hard to.
Jesus Christ. Alright, no, hey, listen.
It's honestly, it's like.
I said.
I honestly think like it's really easy to trade, but it's really hard. Like to me, like managing your emotions is the hardest part of trading.
Listen, I'll be very honest with you guys, man. Managing these two accounts is the most fucking stressful thing in the world. Holy shit. It's $20,000 that we're managing, bro. Like,
Dude, you can't lose money for these people,
No,
bro. You know how
fuck
hard
no,
that is
like-
on you? I can see, dude, I swear to God. I was on a
You guys need
Bitcoin trade, and I saw negative like 1,200, and I was fine. I was like, you know what? If it happens, it happens. Whatever. Just make it happen. But dude, I can't, and that was 1,200. I can't even see like 50, like 80 on that on
those accounts, I
on
can't.
those accounts. Like that hurts me.
That shit is like tough.
That's
dude.
another level, bro. Like you thought like trading big accounts was nice. Like nah, bro. Like if it's not your money, like yo, that's hard. Bro. Yeah, you feel so much pressure to do better. But I mean, it's great because like it pushes you to be better. But like
yeah, especially when you have MT4 on one screen, and then you have the other MT4 on like the iPad or the phone, and you're entering trades in and out using both tools. Like that shit, you know.
Yeah, I just back out of my DU trade.
You got back? You got out?
Yeah, I got it.
Nice. Good shit, man. Good trade.
I went in a 0.7, and then I took half of it out. So I let 0.35 just pass.
Okay, right on.
Caught 30. With that one, I caught 37 pips.
That's good, dude. So you made what, like almost $100, no?
what was your lot size?
0.25s. 39 pips.
0.25?
So 40 pips.
Like 89, 86, no?
Nah, 100. 25 times 4.
36, so like 94% almost.
So you made like, how much you make?
Hold on.
What you said?
What'd he say?
I don't know. What you said?
Yeah, what the fuck you said, man?
I said hold on, bro. I was joking.
Hold on.
Do you trade do you trade indices? How you say it? Index? How the fuck you say it?
What the fuck you
Index. No.
Indexes.
No, he said indices. Indexes. Do we trade indexes?
Fabian, do you trade indexes? No, dude. Once in like right now we might enter like US 30 because it's like crazy, and yeah, because it's crazy high, right? And maybe because this is all high, we might enter the Dow because everybody on Reddit is saying
they short the Dow.
They're gonna short the Dow, but they're not sure yet.
Yeah.
Because if they short the Dow, they gotta stop buying Dogecoin. So I'd rather them buy Dogecoin. But if they short the Dow, dude, one lot on like 2 pips will be like what, 2K?
Yeah.
It'll be like 1 pip. 1 pip is like 1K. On a one pip on a 1 lot is 1K. On like the Dow or more.
Yeah, something like that. Mm-hmm. That's true.
Or, no, you know what? It might
probably
a
little.
5-10K.
No, it might be a little less, to be honest. Hey, y'all want to see a dead body? Look at that. He's from Miami. His time zone is he the homie. His time zone is huh?
I woke up and be like, yo, what are you guys doing?
Yeah. No, his time zone is 3 hours ahead. So.
Yeah, he the homie. He the new part of the elite.
Yeah, facts. Oh yeah. Damn, it's already 2. Holy shit.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't the greatest day. We had a win, but like it was like.
No, actually, you know what?
We could have had 2 wins.
True, yes, but I feel like there was a very not so stressed day. I'm cool with that.
It was super cool.
I'm cool with that. Like
it was like a quick win. Like we've never had drawdown, whatever. Yes. But I wanted to get on this buy. I just didn't see it yet.
No, today was cool. And it's the end of the week, so honestly, like today was the last night. Until Sunday night. So obviously we try to have a good time each stream and all that good stuff, right? But also try to make sure we educate you guys, man. I know, listen, out of you 7 viewers out there, man, listen, if you guys support or you guys enjoy the channel or enjoy the stream, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button so you can be notified every time we do get online. But yeah.
You guys about to get out?
Nah, listen, fuck that. Join the mentorship.
That too.
I'm just kidding.
No, that too.
We're trying to
like I said, man, we appreciate you guys being here. Like this is cool. You know, again, we enjoy doing this. We enjoy like if we can help you guys out in any way, you know, we're here for that. So
Thanks.
We really enjoy these streams. So if you do enjoy the stream, man, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, help us out here. Algorithm work, right?
No, for
That's
sure.
what it is,
sure.
man. Yeah, so.
I mean, how can you not like it? Like, everybody that's on, like, we don't stick to, like, 100% like Forex. We talked about other shit.
Yeah, no.
We make you guys laugh.
For sure, yeah.
We give you our life story, all our stupid-ass things. Like,
yeah.
Maybe it was, like, unprofessional, but, like, I feel like that's the raw ours. Like, you're not getting no BS.
Facts. Yeah. But with that being said, man, you looking to keep trading or what?
I don't think so.
No, I think I'm done. I think I gotta wake up early. I'm gonna go try to buy that drone tomorrow. Fuck.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you guys doing after 12?
I don't know. What's up? What you trying to do?
I get out of work at 12.
Well, what you trying to do?
I don't know. What you trying to do? Y'all trying to go hiking? Y'all trying to go get some brunch? Everything's open
That sounds
tomorrow.
cool.
Everything is over. Yeah, but it's gonna be so hard to get reservations.
Nah, hey, listen, tomorrow gonna be lit as fuck. Like, yeah, it's gonna be lit tomorrow. It's like the reopening of LA. You know what I mean? Kind of.
We should go to Phoenix.
We should go to Phoenix.
The
That would be
bar is
cool.
dope. The
We
bar
should
is
go to
dope.
Phoenix. Yes,
The bar
we
is
should
dope.
go to Phoenix. Have you been?
Wait, Arizona or the bar?
No, for the bar. The fuck?
Oh, fuck it.
That too. That'd be cool.
Everything's over there, but I'm not trying to go over there.
Yeah. No. I'm just trying to make 5K a month. Is that possible? Very possible.
Who said that?
Ruben. Very possible.
Yo, come on, bro. Nah.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, it's possible, but you know what, bro? I would be lying to you, honestly, like legit be lying to you if I said like if I just took you in right now, right? Cause like, bro, this isn't for the money. Cause like, don't make the same mistake I made. Cause I got in for the money, and it wasn't for that. And a lot of people get in for the money, and they get super discouraged. But like, bro, like, get in just with like an open mindset. Like, don't think this is gonna replace your income. Don't think that you're gonna be like a millionaire overnight. Just come in with an open mind. See if you like it. See if you don't. Maybe you understand it, dude. Maybe you guys understand it better than we do eventually. Like, dude, that's all you guys need. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
Like, bro, that's it. Don't overthink it. You know, leave that shit to us. We already did that. We already fucked up. You know, we already overthinked it 20 times. We already bought high and sell high. Like, it happened to us. We have that experience, so you guys don't have to. And I mean, you guys can see all their videos. Our account is the same. Look at our Instagram videos, same shit. Like, yo, that's our account. That's how much we made. That's how much we lost. And it is what it is.
Yep. Nah, but you know what? Listen. With that being said, I'm trying to catch some Z's.
Yes, sir.
I gotta be up early. Fuck, I gotta be up early. Alright. No, but hey, listen, man. If you guys did enjoy the stream, listen, again, to help out and support the channel, hit that like button for us. That'd be cool. And then subscribe, man, so you guys can stay up to date with us, right? So, y'all have a good night. I'm calling it here because I want to go to sleep.
Hey, it was a good end to the week. You know, one trade,
definitely.
whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
One trade, 13 pips. Profit is profit. Not as much as we like, but hey, profit is profit.
Nah,
whatever.
It was cool.
It is
It was
what it
definitely
is,
cool.
you know? Like, ain't nobody giving you that much money, and you know what? Like, at $15 minimum wage, so yeah, profit is profit. 10 pips.
True. Yo, bro, you guys have a good night. Thank you guys for stopping by, and we'll be back Sunday night. We actually, you know what? We might be jumping on tomorrow night.
Yeah.
For like some sort of webinar, something like, you know, where we break down some charts.
We just go live and go Q&A with everybody on YouTube.
That would be cool. That'd be cool. Yeah, that would be cool. Listen, man, we're gonna do something special, especially with our boy here, man. Like, we're probably gonna do something cool with him too. So, yeah, we'll probably be back on tomorrow night.
Yeah, I think so.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. Just gotta get homeboy.
Yeah, hell yeah. So,
no,
that'd be dope. But again, you guys have a good night, man. We'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? Later, guys.
Oh,
have a good night. You guys have a good night. Not yet. Well, not yet.
Not yet. No. Hey, guys, real quick. Remind them about the bio.
What about the bio?
Our mentorship or
Instagram. Listen, man. Hey, listen. Instagram.
Telegram.
Go hit up that follow button. All right, that'd be cool. And then the free trading Telegram group as well. If you guys want to stay up to date.
Aero gang. AERO gang.
That'd be cool.
GANG.
Alright, man. You guys have a good night.
In the course of you go over chart. Yeah, bro, everything, dude.
Go over chart analysis? Yeah, absolutely. Everything.
Okay, now we're about to be in this video for another 20 minutes, bro, everything.
Yeah,
like,
no.
Like, chart analysis is like, you fucking chapter like
Ruben, listen,
4,
man.
bro, on
listen.
the first
again,
Thing.
you know, at the end of the day, man, you're gonna choose what you're gonna go with, right? Either you're gonna go with us, you can go with whoever it is that you wanted to go with, man. Listen, as long as you get the proper education, man, like you can make it anywhere, right? If you're gonna learn from somebody else and you really learn their system and it works for you, great, bro. Because again, you know, you're trying to build the confidence and consistency, right? So again, if it is with us or if it's with someone else, we wish you the absolute best, dude. And you know what I mean, like.
Yo,
make it happen, you know what I mean? Like, that's it.
Fuck students. No, we love you guys, but like,
no, honestly,
but like, yo, fuck that. They already have some viewers, dude.
Yeah.
No, you want to go take somebody else's course but watch your videos?
Let's go.
Like, to me, that's even better.
Because again, man, like, dude, I know what it was to like when I first learned. It was the most frustrating thing in the world.
Facts.
And I just wanted some sort of answers. Like I had so many questions, but I didn't know where to go with it, right? So YouTube helped, but once you start really looking into the, you know, the kind of, you'll learn as you go, right?
No, I get what you're saying.
You'll learn as you go.
I hope you guys understand too.
Yeah, no. Yeah, exactly. Hope you guys.
Like, dude, that's it.
Yep.
That's it. Like, yo, I'm telling you, we would have had something like this when we were coming up, it would have been different.
Back in like 2016, dude.
Oh yeah, no, before, dude.
For me, it was 2016. I remember.
No, yeah, but that's when you started. But like, I mean, before, like, we would have had don't imagine 18-year-old kids watching this.
Yeah.
Imagine we would have had that when we were 18.
Yeah.
This is 4 or 5 years, bro.
No, hell yeah. But yo, listen, guys. Have a good night. Alright, we'll catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully. That'd be nice. I'll see you guys. Was anything else? You good?
Nah, we're good. Have a good night.
You guys have a good night.
Thank you guys.
Peace.
We'll see you next trading week.
For sure.